How's everybody doing? Good morning, man. I do apologize, man. I was ripping and running trying to get back, man. I had to drop my daughter. I was late, so excuse me. I do apologize about that, man. How's everybody doing? Let's go ahead and just get right into it. Let's go ahead and jump into our charts, man. Let's go. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back, team, man. I do apologize about that, man. I had to run some errands real quick and trying to get my daughter to school, man. It's trying to be Superman at the same time, but I'm here, team. So I'm definitely keeping on watch right now of Kato. I see you. Anyone have the links to the speakers? I'll say links to the speakers. But yeah, so team, yeah, I'm back, man. I'm trying to hurry up and get everything situated, man. I do apologize. So far, I did set up a little chart, a little channel that we're in right now that we looked like we was about to crack. Then we got right back and broke back above that 517.50 and started to run right back on up towards these highs. So definitely keep my eyes peeled on this right quick, team. So how's everybody trading so far, man? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah, man, I do apologize, man, for being late. So I'm in the building. I'm here. I'm here. Man. But yeah, I'm in the building, though, team. I'm here. I'm here. So what we got, man? What we got? What we got? Yeah, that's all I was asking. I say, what speakers? But yeah, I'm here. Uh, I'm still looking for a call opportunity. I was just waiting on a pullback, like a good, nice, solid pullback that we haven't got yet. We kind of still overextended off that VWAP, so I'm not jumping in. It's been slow, but there has been a few patterns. Yeah, like I said, I got it set up in a trade right. I mean, in a channel right now, Gert. So we are rotated still in this channel. We did get that little break above, back above. It seemed like we was cracking that trend, channel. Then we got back above the channel. We went on that squeeze from that 517.50 mark and went on that run. So yeah, so if y'all caught that, man, shout out to y'all for catching that move. Right now I'm just sitting on my hands, so I just got back trying to figure everything out as I go. So I'm definitely anticipating a nice solid pullback down towards those key areas. You know, whether it's, let me see, what did we break out to as well? That's what was this? 517.80. We got rejected. So 517.80 can be a nice little support line back down to that 517.50-ish mark. So I'm gonna wait on this pullback. So see where we go from here. Yeah, man. Again, I do apologize, man. I just got back. I was ripping and running. What the hell is going on with the I got back on speakers. Why is my? I don't see anything. Something happened to Tradecaster?
Here it says, my Tradecaster page just went down.
Yeah, mine's too. Man, what just happened to Tradecaster? Yeah, mine just went down. I was wondering what the hell just happened. I went on Dex page. His is still loading. Man, did Tradecaster just crash? Yeah, cause this is what it's showing me. Let me try to go. Let me see. Let me try to go to Dex.
Here it says, it's just buffering.
Nah, look, even Dex. Let's see. Look. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Got it. Is it back on mines now? All right, Dex back up. What the hell just happened? Let me restart mines. All right, here we go. All right, man. Good Lord. I say early in the morning we already crashing. Like, goodness. That's crazy. Yeah, we back, team. Let me double check, make sure mine. Okay, yeah, everything is still working on my OBS. Everything's still looking good. Yeah, so we back, team. We back. So yeah, right now we are underneath that 518.20 right now. We are getting rejected underneath that 518.20. So I do expect a nice pullback. So I'm not buying these tops right now for sure. I do expect a call still, but I'm not chasing these tops. I will definitely wait on a pullback to occur, which we have not gotten yet. We have broken that trend line that we were in for like the past few days. Now we we're underneath it. So definitely keep my eyes peeled. So the only channel that I'm going off of at this moment is the one that I have set for intraday right now. So that's the only one I'm looking at this moment. So you can see right here on my 3-minute time frame, we are in this intraday channel, still moving up, as you can see. So we are at these tops. So I'm definitely anticipating a pullback away from these tops here, back on down towards these areas here. So let's see what we get, and we still have.
Says,
oh shoot.
Bot Rix has correct.
Shut up. Pause that. Yeah, but how's everybody trading going, man? How y'all doing? How's y'all morning going? Marty, my boy in the building, he in the building. Let me give a shout out to everybody why I do have everybody here. AR Trades, Marty, I see you in the building. Gert, Kato J. Who else I got? Lowbar, I got you in the building, man. Shout out to y'all, man. I do apologize for coming in late, man. Like I said, I was ripping and running, man, trying to hurry get my daughter to school, and then I went and run some errands, so I do apologize, man. Apologize about that. But I'm here. Like I said, I'm here. So I'm definitely waiting on this pullback. Because, I mean, right now we're still bullish. We're definitely still bullish. So I'm just waiting on a nice little pullback. Because, again, I'm not buying at these tops. I'm not doing that. So I'm just definitely waiting on this pullback to occur. Just see what were some areas that we did have trouble in. It seemed like around this 517.80-ish mark right here where we hit, fail. So that can be used as a nice little support bounce here from that area. And if we do go down lower, I do see that 517.60-ish mark still going in this way. So let me extend that to the right this way. So yeah, I do anticipate a little pullback down. Nice little pull. Test message, Tradecaster bugging. And Jay, it's doing it again?
Jay, Tradecaster is acting up. Messages not sending, etc.
Wait, let me. I see you popping up right here, boss. You said test message. I see it. Oh, YouTube. Hold up. Let me see. Wait, what'd you just hit me from? Did you just hit me from YouTube? Yeah, YouTube just popping up. Yeah, the YouTube is popping up, Gert. Let me double check that. Let me make sure. I'm gonna hit test. Man, what is going on today with these internet, man? Internet tripping or something today? Let me see.
Jatrid says, test.
Oh, okay. It's not popping up. What? Why is it not popping up? Man, did my thing get knocked off again? No, it's on here.
Geert says, nah, that test message was like from a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I don't see it popping up. Why is it not popping?
YouTube is fine.
Man, what is going on here? I can
says,
hear y'all. Is the thing not popping up?
IT is good for me. TC is down.
Tradecaster down?
Thunderottle says, GM traders.
Thunder, I see you in the building, boss. Man, don't tell me this thing starting to act up again, man. It seemed like, I wonder if it's, well, no, it can't be OBS because my OBS is working fine. It just got, boy, this thing getting on my nerves, I swear. Let me double check this team. Let me, I got it set right here. Let me just make sure that I got everything set in motion. Yeah, I got my link. Let's see. Let's double check it again, team. Let's see what we got. Let me make sure we're running good on that. All right. My link is in motion. All right, paste. All right, let me go ahead and try it again. Let me see. Let me take out the other YouTube. Let me put up a new one. Hold up. Let me put up a new one. Let me try it. Let me test it out now. See if it comes up. Let me see. Let's see. Let me pop it back out. Pop out my YouTube real quick. Let's see what we got. Let me test it.
Jatrid says.
Nope.
Test.
Yeah, I still don't see it popping up. Man, what is going on here? Man, I don't know. It's like everybody, internet and everything is bugging today. What is going on today? All right, Tradecast is fine. All right.
Stream Elements says, join Trad's Foundation.
I hear it. I don't see it.
Via Stream Elements, link, Cash App, link, Venmo, link.
I'm pressing the button too. I don't see nothing popping up. Yeah, I got my auto set up. Why is it not showing again? Here we go again with the C. Here we go again with this. We doing it again. Same crap that happened last time. Same exact thing.
Says, join Jatrid's Patreon. link.
Dude, what is going on with this? It's like it's crashing for some apparent reason. Double checking it again. I mean, everything seems to be working fine. I mean, I can hear it, but why can't I see it? Let me try. Let me try to go to the link and see if I see anything. Let me try. Let me test.
Here it says.
Nope.
It's only active trader and yeah buddy that are live on Tradecaster right now that I see.
Man, what is going on with Tradecaster right now? Yeah, it's not even popping up on this little window. I don't see anything. Let me try to do a test run real fast. Let me see if I can get it to pop up. Let me close out the old comment box again. YouTube box. Let me close out both of them. Let me close out Twitch and YouTube. Alright, let me do a test run. Let me see if we got it. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. All of a sudden, everybody's internet just bugging today. What is going on today? Alright, let me try a test again. Anything?
Jatrid says.
No.
Test.
It's not even popping up on the regular website. I mean, on the site, the thing itself. I don't see anything. Man, here we go again with this crap, bro. This thing is getting on my nerves, man. I can hear it, but I just can't see it. Like, I don't know what's going on, guys. I mean, I tried to fix it in every which way. I don't know what's going on. All right, let me try something else. Let me try to take the top portion. Let me try it again. Let's see. So let me take this link and post on. Yeah, it's popping up on OBS. I see it on here. Okay. Got all the links up. Got all the comment boxes up. I'm gonna try to do another test run again, guys. I'm gonna see. Man, I don't know what's going on with this thing. All right, let's see.
Here it says.
Still not.
Dollar meta above 468.
Nope.
Looking for candlestick confirmation. Jatrid says.
See?
Test.
It's popping up here, but it's not popping up on my screen for some apparent reason. All right, code is new, brand new code. I saved it this time, make sure it wouldn't come off, and I'm still not getting anything. I don't know what is going on with this thing. We just set it up yesterday, remember? Experienced that same issue, and I had to re-put everything. All right, let me repost again. Okay, let me try it again. I mean, it's up, guys. I mean, we can hear it. We just can't see it. I don't know what the hell going on with this damn thing. Do another test, and that's it. I mean, I'm not going to worry about it. If don't do it.
Jatrid says.
Nope.
Test.
It's not doing anything, guys. I mean, I tried to reinstall it. Still nothing. I still don't see. I don't see anything. I don't hear anything. I mean, when I hear anything, I don't see it. I don't know, man. It's be out of my control, boss. I mean, like I said, I can hear y'all. I just can't see it. Insane, man. Anyway, let's focus on trading. See, I'm trying to put money in y'all pockets, man. That's that little bubble.
Here it says. I wouldn't stress too much.
Yeah, I'm not stressing. I can hear y'all.
It doesn't seem like it's on your end.
Yeah, like I said, I can see it like clearly right here. Every time y'all pop up, I can see it. But the little bubble is not popping up for some apparent reason. Yeah, I'm not gonna stress myself out over that. I ain't doing that. So let me see. Let's focus on what we need to focus on first and foremost. So I do see us rotating from that top portion of this channel, which is around at 518.20, rotating right back down around at 517.80. So I want to see if we come back down to this area, see if we're gonna hold. So I mean, like I said, right now the market is still bullish. I still don't see no crossovers on this 30-minute time frame as far as our indicators. I mean, everything still seems to still be going up right now. So still nothing, still a no-go right now as far as that. What was this bounce right here? I mean, what was this little area here? 517.20. All right. And I did see the 517.20. We did bounce numerous times. All right. That's crazy, man. It's like Tradecaster went down. I mean, then all of a sudden it's crazy, man. I mean, I don't know what's going on. I mean, it's distracting me from trying to go for my trade, man. I'm trying to stay focused right now. I'm gonna stay focused. I mean, right now, contracts are looking a little weak right now. It is coming back down as far as this pullback's concerned.
Thunderottle says, Jatrix, you called $link yesterday. You dumb man.
Oh no, that was 517.50. I got, and as a matter of fact, I took a picture right here. Look, I took a screenshot just to prove everybody had called it out. Let me appreciate you too, though, boss. Let me go to it real quick. I screenshot it. Where is it at? Was it here? Was it this one? Nope, that's the wrong one. Where did I save it at? I know I got you saved somewhere, buddy. Is it this one? Yep, right here. When we first hit, I had called it out when we first hit. I kept saying 1750. Remember, I said 1750 up to that 518. I said we was gonna go up from that 516 mark to 517.50 up to that at that area. I called it. I mean, they can't say I didn't call it. I took a screenshot just to prove it. I said I told y'all. So right now, let me see. And do excuse these damn purple lines. Just because it's on that 3-minute time frame on this trend line. So right here, 517.50, we are still around this area.
There goes $met on the candlestick confirmation.
Yeah, I mean, I called it out, man, and I'm still keeping my eyes peeled because they can still act as a support base now that we're above that 517.50. So I'm just waiting on a pullback right now, you know, for, as we come back down to those key levels. So I do want to see, once we do pull back, see if we're going to get that nice little bounce. Because, again, I like to be around the VWAP area where it's more, you know, I have more safety, you know, for a potential bounce. Because we broke above the VWAP, but we haven't came back down to test it on the downside. So I am looking for that potential bounce coming up soon towards that VWAP area where I will try to go in for a quick little call, try to go in for a scalp. So right now I'm not jumping in just yet. I am waiting on that pullback down. So let me see, because I mean, yeah, it's matching the bottoms, bounce. Yep. So everything is matching that trend line perfectly, other than this crack that we had, but then we reclaimed it and went right back on top. So right now it's still holding at these levels, which I'm not jumping in on. So 518 is trying to stay above that key level. So the question is, how much gas do we have left in the tank before the bears actually move in? That's the $1 million question. So I mean, right now, I mean, we look like we still have room to run. I mean, if that 18 level holds, I mean, you do have room to still run up to that 520ish level. If that as long as we stay on top of that 517.50 and above that 518 level, I mean, you still have room to run up to that 520 level, because that's only $2 away from that 518 mark. So I mean, let me see. Let me make a duplicate copy. So if I get that anticipated pullback I want, then I can definitely go for it for a call. Yep. So you got room to still run up to these levels where we hit fall. We got some strong resistance levels right at that 520 level. But again, we haven't gotten it yet, so let me close this out. So yeah, we haven't gotten it yet. So that level, that 517.50 is still holding. So we're still above that level. Now it's trying to stay on top of 518. So right now, I'm definitely just keeping my eyes peeled on these key levels right here from this little mark here. So I'm just keeping my eyes peeled. So I'm just trying to see if we're gonna get a little pullback to this area for a potential test and a bounce back on up. But we haven't gotten it yet. So what about you guys, man? Thunder, what about you too, boss? I mean, you jumped in, or you got in on that move? Did you get in on? How many of y'all got in on that squeeze? Right back above that 517.50 level, went on that run. How many got in on that? I wish I was here to catch it, man. Right when I was getting here, I seen it. I was like, I missed it. So I mean, still just sitting on my hands right now at the moment. So you know, I missed that run. So I'm gonna see where we go from this point. So we are at some high levels. How's the market? I mean, how's everything else doing? Look like that SMCI. Let me see. Let me check it out on the other chart. How we looking as far as the trend line, the channel. We're still above that channel, that red line. We're still above that, so we haven't came back down to that key level yet. That's still trying to hold above 800.
Dr. Rottle says, I'm in puts. Cash carry usually tanks the market.
Gotcha, boss. Gotcha. As far as Nvidia, needs to hold above that 900 range. We did get rejected at 920 that I called out yesterday. You see, you got my lines right here showing my proof. I called that out yesterday. You see my red lines, but we got rejected and we started to pull right back down to 900. So we are definitely in some highs right now. So I mean, I'm just waiting on it. You know, like I said, we're gonna get the pullback. I mean, it's coming. It's definitely coming. Let me see where we at right now. Yep, that's Apple. Apple's starting to get weak. 180. As long as you, if you lose that 182 on Apple, you got room to fall back down to that 180 mark. But we are showing some weakness where we did get rejected from that 870. I'm sorry, 184. Let me make a duplicate copy of that real quick. So if you notice, we'll be in a little channel of, oh shoot, that's the wrong thing. 84, make a duplicate copy of this. What I meant to do. 184 tops. Boom, right here we got rejected, 184, started to come down to that 182 level. So let me go ahead and move this one down to 182. So 182, boom. From 184 to 182, we lose 182, we're coming right back on down to 180. So it's getting a slow little downtrend on Apple so far. So we did hit that high of around that 184. We started getting rejected back down to the 182. Again, if we don't hold 182, do expect to pull back down to the 181 to 180 mark. So if we do hold above 182 and hold this key level, we can rotate ourselves back up to 183, back up to 184. So we'll just keep our eyes peeled to see what happens at this mark. Let's look at SPY real quick. Go back to SPY. Where you at? I see you. So right now, we're still kind of channeling right now. Still trying to hold that 518 level. So I'm just anticipating, like I said, I'm just sitting on my hands right now. Let me see where we at right now, 62. See where we go from this mark. Will we start to come down, or will we hold this key level and try to push up again? So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on this. Let me extend this to the right. Boom. Okay. Damn, man, I wish I was here to catch that, man, that squeeze. I wish I would have caught that squeeze right above that 517.50 level when we went on that squeeze. Man, I wish I was here to catch that. I missed it. So I'm not gonna chase it though. I mean, I'm gonna see, like, see once we do get that pullback, and we're gonna hold still on this trend line. That's gonna be around that 517.75 level.
Here it says, Tradecaster may be back up and running.
It was already running. When I refreshed mine, boss, it was still running.
Dunderottle says, Jatrix, did you close your put from the weekend?
Nope, still ain't closed it. I still ain't closed it. I only added one contract. I was waiting till we got towards these highs. But I got back and I missed everything because I was going to add some more as we got higher. So I'm only in with one contract. So I was going to add more around the 518, 520 level because I'm anticipating that little pullback. So I want to add it higher and higher to average, to kind of average out my costs. Damn, I missed already the 518, and we're already pulling back. Crap, we're already pulling back. I missed my other contract, man. I was going to try to add more to the 518, and we're already pulling back. Keep my eyes peeled, though. Yeah, not yet, boss.
Don't see your lobby up on the live streamers.
Wait, huh? Is it up? Wait, let me go back. Let me go back to it again. Let me double check this. Man, why is Tradecaster acting up today? What's going on with Tradecaster? Oh, it is off. What the hell is... Man, why is this thing just acting... Tradecaster did crash again. Man, hold up, team. Let me get this fixed, man. Tradecaster acting up again. Let me see. Is it back up and running now? Alright. I got it, team. Alright, we good? It's not... I mean, it's Tradecaster keep kicking us off. Like, I don't know what the hell going on with Tradecaster. Like, I mean, that's crazy. Can y'all see me now, though, team? Can y'all see me? Man, I don't know what's going on with this thing. See, I'm back live on my, let me do it. We good?
I see you live.
Okay, appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. Man, I don't know what's going on with Tradecaster, man. Like, Tradecaster kicking people off. What the heck going on? Man, Tradecaster is wilding today. Is it that many people joining? Like to the point we man, that's a good thing. I mean, man, we getting overwhelmed, overcrowded. Look like Deck gonna have to add in some more space. Man, it's kicking everybody off stream, and I still ain't got my bubble back up on my damn thing. I'm gonna try to test it again, guys. Let me kick my comments off real quick, my YouTube and them comments, and I'm gonna re-put it. All right, let me see if it's gonna work again. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can get the comments to work again. Wait, is it still on? All right, there we go. All right, let me try YouTube again. Let me try to see, cause I don't even know why the bubble not popping up. I can hear it, but I don't know why the hell I can't see it. I don't know, man. The Tradecaster been kicking everybody off. Like, I don't know what's going on with Tradecaster. Like literally, I don't know if the if it can't handle so much like quality, man. Like, cause I know it's a lot of people streaming, a lot of people using OBS. I don't know if OBS. Well, no, it ain't OBS because OBS is working fine. So it's Tradecaster. Let me try it again. See if anything pop up on my screen.
Jatrid says.
Nope.
Test.
I don't, guys. I don't know what to do. I mean, like I said, I didn't try to put in the new code and everything. Nothing. I don't see anything on the bubble. Let me double check, make sure everything's on. Everything should be on. Yep. All my stuff is still in order. Yep. Show icon. Yep. Yep. Vex. All right. Let me take the code again. Let me try it again. All right, put in a new code. So let's see. Let me try it again. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what the hell been going on. Like, it just been kicking everybody off. Because even, like I said, the Tradecaster restarted. Like, I don't know what's going on. Let me try test 2. Anything pop up now?
Jatrid says.
Nope.
Test 2.
I don't see it. I mean, I didn't try it. I didn't recoded it, everything. I mean, I don't know what's going on. Ooh, pulling back now. Now we pulling back. Let's see. Pulling back slowly, Let's see. Getting a nasty little pullback, but it's still holding. Man, now it's making me paranoid to even catch these bottoms, man. Like, I want to jump into these bottoms, but I'm like, are we starting to get actual weakness now? Are we bouncing again? Because we got rejected here. We're starting to come back down. Man, it's a little tough right now, not especially going for these bounces, man. I would have caught these, I'd have been good, but coming back this way, I'm trying to see if this level gonna hold. Just trying to hold. Where's this right there? 380? How low did we go on my contract? Low 330. All right, so that channel's still holding for right now. So we're still bouncing. Oh boy, it's crazy. Cause we hit the highs. I mean, we hit 518. I mean, that's what I'm trying to like. How much high is this bad boy gonna run? I mean, everything, like I said, no crossovers on the indicators yet. They're still pointing to upside still. And you know, your 50 is still here, 20 still here, 9 still here. Everything is still in the right order as far as on the 30-minute time frame. They're still showing that we'll still have room to still push back on up. You know, nothing yet. You know, despite the 3-minute time frame look like it's curling, but that 30-minute, as I told y'all, the indicators on the 30-minute time frame is way stronger than that 3-minute time frame. So as you notice, we still ain't crossed over yet. I mean, we still haven't seen the indicator start to curl down. Everything still seems to be still moving upward. So I mean, yep, we did catch that bounce too. Oh boy, it's a pain. It's a pain. Let me see, we're pulling back slightly again. Pulling back slightly as long as that trend line holds. Let's keep it on watch. So as long as that trend line holds, you're still good. Let's see what's gonna happen. As long as that trend line and that VWAP hold, we're still on the upside right now until we start to crack these bad boys and go back down on the down, towards the downside, towards the low 517s, back down to the 516s, and we are getting a little bit of weakness right now. So I'll keep my eyes peeled. Cause I mean, when I was trying to go in for a call, I was thinking the same thing Deck was thinking. I was thinking about like in a 516 range, 516, 515, 70 range. You know, somewhere in that these areas like down from here. We had that breakout yesterday. I was thinking of this area, which is around 516. I think 516.60, and it was another area I seen. It was this one and I think this one. These two areas could be possible support. Okay, that is 516.60. So I was thinking about these two key areas, you know, as far as pulling back down to, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on this because I feel like, man, I don't want to feel like I'm chasing now, you know, way to these tops, man. Because again, if I do want to get in, I definitely want to get a little pullback down to a lower area below the 517s. I wouldn't mind that to like some lower areas, way like to these areas. But we'll see. We're gonna see if it's gonna hold. As long as this channel hold, you good. But I don't know. I just don't feel. I mean, we could still go back on up, but it's like the way that this is just trending down. It's not like we spiking and slamming back down to it to, you know, cause a huge bounce back on up. You kind of trending down to it. When I start to see something like that, when you start to trend down to the VWAP, I mean, that's when I just gotta keep it on watch. Cause normally, okay, if you get a spike, I wouldn't mind a move back down, like an instant drop back down when you get a strong bounce. But here it's just trending down to the VWAP. That's what's kind of making me a little bit iffy as far as getting in on a call right now. Because again, I wouldn't have minded if we would have caught a drop down for a nice strong bounce back on up. But again, it's sometimes making me a little iffy sometimes when it's just trending down to the VWAP. That's the only issue with that. When I see it trending down to it, it's like, we'll see. That's the only difference. That's the only thing I don't like. Like, let me show you for example. Like, I would like something like this where you okay, this is the VWAP right here. So I'm gonna just put a little goal line to it. This is the VWAP. So I don't mind. Thing come from. Let me go back to white. There we go. Back to white. All right. Yeah. So, okay, this is the VWAP, right? So when you break out, I don't mind a drop back to it when you can get that bounce back on up. Something like that, when you just come instantly down to it. But when it's just trending down to it, it kind of makes me a little bit more cautious. So when you're just doing this and you're just kind of trending instead of just going a straight drop, because it's like, I feel like that bounce is not going to be as strong, basically is what I'm saying. I feel like it's just going to trend down and, like I said, I feel like it's like more of a weaker bounce when it trends down versus just going like dropping straight down to it. Almost something like this. When you get that nice green, that red candle that slam on down and you get that nice movement back on up. See what I mean? See that nice strong solid candle? We're going straight down to a support area, then bounce back on up. See, there's a difference when you're trending down to it. Because I feel like it doesn't make that bounce as strong because you're slowly trending down to the VWAP instead of just dropping straight down to it. So that makes me a little iffy. So, see how you just trending down to it? So it kind of makes me iffy, like it's kind of setting up for a descending wedge. It makes me a little paranoid. And we'll see what's going to happen once we get closer to it. I mean, it could run back on up if those buys do move in and see it move back on up. But normally, like I said, when I just see a little slow trend, it just kind of makes me a little, Yeah, like I said, it just makes me a little bit more paranoid than anything. I don't like the little trend down to it. So again, like I said, I'm gonna keep it on watch to see if we get a strong movement back on up. Looking for some moves, but this market, it's off, Queen. I don't like the way this market is set up right now. I mean, the only thing I can do is go off my channel pattern that I do have set up. Tops. These bottoms. You can see right here, clearly can see the rotation back and forth within this channel. So I am keeping this on watch though to see where we go from here. So let's see. Let me see how we're gonna push. Let me see how far we're going. So we bounced to where? From the 517. So 517 back up to 518. So the 25-cent mover. So okay, we are bouncing back up. All right. So I'm trying to see how strong this bounce is gonna be. So 25-cent bounce back on up from the 517.75 level back on up to 518. So I just want to see if we're gonna get a strong bounce. Off of this little downtrend down to the VWAP. See what I mean? How it's not strong? That's why I'm saying it's like it just makes me iffy. It's like, unless buyers move in strong and they push it back on up. But it's just that downtrend to the VWAP sometimes I don't like. So I'm gonna keep it on watch to see if we just hold this key level. But it is holding. Those bottoms is holding as of now. The bottoms are holding. So, all right, we are pushing. Okay. Because what time it is? 11 o'clock. So I'm trying to see if buyers are still in. So buyers are still in play. They're trying to stay back above 518. What was this candle on this one? Let me see. What the lows? 513. When we pushed up as high as 540. Almost a dollar move, man. Man, it's a little tricky, man. It's a little tricky, man. Oh yeah, who else came in here? Who I give a shout out to? Who I missed? Anybody else I missed? I'll call it. And Queen, like I said, Queen. Shout out to you this morning, Queen. Because I know she just came in. But you see how this little setup, it just don't seem like a powerful bounce unless those buys move in and they come in hard and push. I like when I can just catch these drops like this and then bounce back on up. But just that downtrend sometimes make me a little bit paranoid that it's going to channel. Like just go sideways instead of like going straight back on up. So I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled on it. All right. It's like how much is left in the tank on this bad boy? Like I said, everything else is turning over. So what is going up? Let me see. All right, Google's still holding. Meta. All right, Meta's going up. It's like when half of them go up, the other ones go down. When half of them go down, the other one go up, which causes the SPY to do what it does. It's like, man, you just want to see them all tank. I'm like, good lord. Amazon, a little bit of a pullback down, still above the VWAP. Needs to break that 157.50 mark. I see that. What was that? Amazon? AMD. I'm sorry, AMD. Amazon. What is Amazon doing? Amazon's up. I think the only ones for sure is up is Amazon, Meta, and Google at the moment. Yeah, so Google's still going up. You clearly see this U-shaped pattern. You can clearly see that on this chart, going from red to green, back on up, trying to get back up to that 175 mark. So Google's still moving up. What about Meta? Meta's, yep, doing the same thing too. We trying to U-shape back on up towards that 480-ish mark. Apple is still trending down. Yep, Apple still. So you losing that 182. You lose 182. You got room to fall back down to that 180-ish mark on Apple. So again, that's why it's so up and down, man. And half of the market is going up, half of the market is going down. So that's why you're getting up, down, up, down. A lot of up, down motions on SPY. Change that real quick. There we go. Where we at now? I mean, I could have jumped in, man, but like I said, I didn't know if we was gonna get it or if those bears gonna try to hurt me, like try to pull it back. I mean, we still holding up though. Still holding up on this trend, holding up on this bottom portion of that trend line on this channel. So that's still holding up right now. So that's still holding weight. I mean, the market is going insane. I have not seen a solid. I have not seen a pullback yet. That's crazy. I mean, it's still bullish. I mean, that's all I can say. I mean, I know I got a lot of put traders in here who waiting for them puts, but just wait for the setup, team. I mean, wait for the setup, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Just wait for the setup, because I don't want y'all getting caught in bad traps. So right now, as you can see, we rotated, from the top of my channel down to the bottoms, then rotated from the bottoms, and I mean, you just went on this massive breakout right above my trend line. So that's why I'm trying to figure out how much higher can we go. I mean, if we stay above 518, the next area is 520. I mean, that's the next intended area is 520. 520 plus. Let me correct that a little bit. Because if y'all go on this trend line, that's what, 520, what? Almost 521-ish. So if I light up this line, wait, where's this at? Put that on the 3. Yeah, see, if I do this, you can clearly see a rotation trying to go all the way up to this bad boy. I hate when I do this. Stop. Thank you. It's like it's trying to go all the way up to these highs here. That's all the way in the 520s. All the way up to the 520s and no pullback yet? Man. Can you imagine what's gonna happen when, once they start to lose that tension and those bears do move in? Man. And we got no pullback, no strong, solid pullback yet. So where's this bad boy trying to push? Is it really trying to push up to these 520 marks? Because I mean that's the way it's going. Look like it want to go up to this 520 range. Yep. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's just rotating back and forth right now. We're still on the uptrend. I mean, the uptrend's still holding. I mean, the uptrend, put it like this. As long as that uptrend still hold, calls you good. As long as the uptrend still hold, calls you are definitely good. Just get back above these key levels. I mean, as long as you stay in this uptrend and you move up, you good. And it's only when you crack this trend line and you that channel and you come back down. That's the only time to worry. But as long as you hold this uptrend, you good. You like the H pattern? Wait, where? Yeah, still in calls, waiting for the SPY 20 push, only 5 away. Yeah, I mean, it seemed like that's where it's trying to head to, Code. I mean, it's still going. I mean, we're still going up on these this movement on up. Inverse head and shoulders on SPY. Wait, inverse H? Where? Inverse H? Yo, you talking about this? That's what you're talking about? I mean, I see a bull flag setting up even on a 30-minute time frame. I mean, I can see that. Take a closer look to it. Look like a bull flag trying to set up. I can clearly see that setting up. Got that nice green candle followed by that small red candle that can lead to that further push on up this way to that 1850. I mean, I do see that. I definitely see way more buyers on a 30-minute because you can see green, 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 green. Just only 2 reds going into intraday. Only 2 red candles versus these greens going into intraday. Again, it does look like it's setting up for somewhat of a bull flag pattern setup where it looked like it wants to push up to that 518.50 mark. I definitely see that. Definitely see that. And those indicators, like I said, it's just no crossovers yet. On this 30-minute time frame, look at the indicators. I mean, your 9 MA stayed on top, your 20 stayed in the middle, 50 stayed at the bottom. Look at this. I never seen a crossover yet. It just been going in the same direction. No crossover. I mean, we had this little bounce. I mean, this little small crossover, but after that, it just been. I mean, no crossover. Look at that. 9 MA, 20, 50. Look at this. They stayed. I mean, they stayed in the right orders the whole entire time. Still in the same orders. Look at that. That's only leading to more of a push, possible push on up. So nothing yet. I mean, nothing yet. It's like how much higher can that 50 go before that 50 gets overextended or overbought to where that 50 starts to actually curl back down and then needs to follow it. So it's like how much higher can this bad boy go until it actually starts to bend, come back down, and then needs follow it. So, I mean, right now, that 50 is just still going up, still going up, still going up, still going up. So now the value of that 50 is at 516.40. So that's the value as far as that 50 right now. So again, where will that area be where it gets overbought and the 50 becomes too overvalued to where it has to come back down? So that's the $1 million question. So, I mean, the 50 has just been going straight up with the 9 EMA and the 20. So if you notice that, look at this. It's just been going up, 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 up. That bad boy has not curled yet. Not one bit. That bad boy just been, this is the only curl we got that was down here. Then after that, that bad boy just been skyrocketing. If you notice that, you had that 50 dropped, that 50 SMA, that red line, and it just been back up, and it just been going up ever since. See that? Look at that. Up, 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 up. It has not started turning yet. Because again, the minute that turns, these are going to follow it. So as long as it stays up, these are going to continue up. So that's the thing. Is to try to find a value with like, what is the overbought value for this 50 SMA? Like how much higher can this thing go before it becomes too overvalued to where it has to start to bend back down to this mark, like back on down. So it's like, how much higher can this bad boy go? So that's what I'm thinking, man. Can we actually? I mean, I think the way that this is going, I mean, I can anticipate a push towards that 520, because as long as 518 holds. So if you think about it from a channel standpoint, 518 holds, you got to run up to 520 because that's $2 away, and normally SPY likes to go on a $2 move. So from 518 to 520, that's a $2 move right there. So you got room, as long as that still holds, you got room to keep running. Where we at right now? 518, almost 518.20. The next area is gonna be 518.50. So I mean, I'm trying to see if I can get the 50 cents marks on these. Nah, it won't let me do it, huh? Oh, here we go. Gotta scrunch it up, but I don't like that. That Meta plays is going off. Wish I had more cash with it. Oh yeah. So yeah, Meta. Let me see. Put this back to order. So yeah, right now, I mean, again, everything's still looking bullish. Everything's still looking bullish. I mean, you might as well stay on call side. I mean, stay with calls until we get that signal. But right now, I mean, you got room to still go up to 1850. From the 1850 to 519, 519.50 up to 520. So right now, it's still going sideways, still going up. I mean, might as well just go with the flow. Like Dex say, go with momentum. I might as well just follow it, go with the trend. Keep following it till we get that reversal. Because again, Google's going up, Meta's going up, and what is Amazon? So those three are the main ones. Yes, yep. So that's still pushing on up, and you got that 50 here, which is around 480. So where we at right now? So $10 more for Meta from 470 to 480. For us, Amazon. What's that bad boy trying to go to this 190? About $1, not even $1 away. You about 6 cents away from 190. So you about to be testing that key area coming up, 190. It's crazy that everything else is going down. Look at this. See, Apple pulling back. That's why I'm like, why is Inspire following it? I'm like, because you got everything else going up. It's like right in between. Google, Meta, Amazon. It's like half of the market goes up, other half goes down. It's like, that's what causes that. But when the market does that, that's what causes Inspire to go sideways. You know, like instead of just having dramatic drops, and you know, it just. When you have a portion of the market going down and you have another portion of the market going up, it makes SPY go sideways. Whether it's trending up, whether it's trending down. That's why you don't see those dramatic moves just yet. So right now, that's why you're not seeing a dramatic pop, seeing a dramatic drop. It's just going sideways, but it's going in one direction, which is up right now. Also, no news today. Yep, exactly. News starts to kick in tomorrow because we're gonna have. Matter of fact, let's go to that real quick. What we got tomorrow? We got where you at? Go back to my live stream folder. There we go. Back to my weekly discussion and right here. So tomorrow we got the wholesales inventory, got the petroleum status report. Have a few more speakers. 10-year note auction. 4-month bill auction. That's the only thing I see too. So pulling back, starting to pull back. See, that's what I mean. Like I don't know. That's why again this little downtrend. I'm trying to see if we're gonna hold. That's why I didn't really want to chase because I didn't know it was gonna get a strong movement back on up. Cause like I said, when you get them little downtrend movements down to the VWAP, it's like sometimes the spikes don't really give you what you want. It's like it's kind of like it simmers down. That's why I was like, I was kind of a little paranoid to try to go for that bounce back on up because it kind of gives you that simmering type reaction instead of going on like on a blast off. You know, once you got here, instead of going on that blast off here, when you get caught in these little downtrend movements, it's kind of a little bit slower on the spikes. That was the only reason why. Guy who tanked the market last time. Oh, for real? Who was that? Coldplay. In 30 minutes. No, you say 30 minutes? Who was that? That was what's today? Tuesday. 30 minutes. Oh yeah, Neil. Well, I guess I'll wait. I guess I'll wait then. I'll see what he says. See what's gonna happen. 30 minutes. Appreciate you so much for reminding me, boss. I'll wait. But see, I can show you on my contract what I'm talking about. Like, this is what I mean. But when I was saying I was a little bit. He already spoke? Said 11:30. Wait, it is 11. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the time frame wrong. I'm looking at my time. I apologize. Because I forgot I'm central. I'm thinking about my time. I forgot to look at it. See kind of like what I mean, how you kind of just downtrend and it doesn't give you that like spike. It just kind of simmers. Something like that, which is why I didn't jump in. I could have caught a little quick scalp, but that wasn't nothing. But that's what I mean by when it downtrends to the VWAP and you don't get like that explosion back on up. It just kind of simmers with it. That's what I mean by that. It makes it like, it makes me a little paranoid when I see that. I don't like that. I don't like it. Like I said, I mean, that trend line's still holding. I just wasn't jumping in. I just didn't, I just couldn't do it. So, we'll see where we go. Yeah, thank you so much, boss. And you're right. He did already speak because it's 12 o'clock now. I was thinking about my time on my end because my end is 11 o'clock right now. I'm tripping. So let's see. Still a little bit of downside. I mean, it's not very volatile at the moment, just yet. So nothing yet. Still underneath that 518.20. So still getting stuff underneath 518.20. So what SPY needs to hold above this 517.80 where you bounce that. So you're kind of in between this little channel of 518.20 and 517.80. You're kind of just going back and forth right now. You're just kind of rotating. So we'll see. So right now, yeah, I'm not jumping in right now. I'm just still sitting on my hands. Still no go for me yet. Nothing yet. I wish I would have caught this though. God, I wish I would have caught this. I already been done my trade. Cause like I said, the market is still pointing up. I mean, it's still pointing up like it wants to move. It still rotate this way still. I mean, how everything else is pointing out to me. Now the only difference with this time frame is now we're not in that old channel from yesterday. We fell out of that channel. Now we like underneath it. So that's why I'm trying to figure out which way is it trying to go. Because if it does spike back up to 520, you'll be now underneath that trend line, that old channel that we were watching for like 4 days now. Well, you're getting rejected underneath that trend line and the 520 mark, which you know is natural resistance. So, excuse me, that's why I'm just keeping on watch to see where we go from here. So I'm gonna just keep watching on this channel. Say we hold this channel throughout the rest of the day. So I'm just gonna watch. As long as that trend line hold, like I said, calls you good for a possible move back on up. But the minute we crack, you know, definitely keep that on watch. Because the main focus is as long as you stay around, you stay above 517.50, you good. Because you can use that 517.50 as a floor. But the minute you lose 517.50, then you'll start to reverse back down this way. So right now, it's getting a little weak. Trying to retest that 518. So you're only 50 cents away from that 517.50. So keep your eyes peeled from 518 to 517.50. So watch this little area right here real quick. If we break, if we do crack that 518, keep your eyes peeled. If we do see potential pullback down towards these key levels, these little lower areas. So keep your eyes peeled on that. So right now it's no go for me right now, team. I'm still just kind of sitting on my hands, just waiting on this stupid market to. It's one of those days, man. Like I said, not every day is a trading day. You know, I mean, especially, the best time was early this morning right here. Just catching those bottoms for that squeeze back on up. That was a good, nice catch. But right now it's gonna go sideways right now. Let me see if I can catch anything else though besides SPY. Let me see. SMCI, where you at? I should have jumped in them damn 830s last time. I mean, not 830s. SMCI is going back on up. SMCI is trying to get back up to that 840 to 860 range. I can see that clearly. Where that bad boy's trying to go. She's clearly trying to get up to from this from 840 to 860, and then you got these tops way up here around that 900 range. So yeah, so that means if the SMCI is going up, Nvidia is doing the same exact thing. So, yep. So Nvidia is bouncing, trying to move itself back on up. Clearly can see that. They're trying to get back up to that 920 mark, trying to retest that again. So, I mean, the only thing I can say to do, you know, if you don't want to trade SPY, is trade everything around it. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, SMCI, you know, like I say play those. I mean, that's the only thing you can do for the moment. Is just play those type of stocks right now. It's the only thing. Damn. Could have caught. Let me see, what was this? What was the lows on this? 509 and back up? I could have caught. Damn, I could have caught that too. That's why I hate sometimes watching SPY. It takes my vision off of something else I could have been trading. Apple still dropping away. Let me take a look, boss. Did we go back down to that whatchamacallit yet? 180. Yeah, 180. Where we at now? 50 cents away from 180? Yeah, 50 cents away from that 180 mark. From 180. So let me take this one off right now because we don't need this right now. I'll put that later. So we have cracked that trend line. We cracked this trend line, started to fall, fell right off that mountain. And that bad boy's kind of free falling right now. Damn, I should have caught that SMCI. I should have caught that bounce on SMCI. See, that's what caused SPY to spike too. You notice that? Kind of did the same exact pattern that SPY them did. So that's what caused SPY to spike as well. When Nvidia and them caught when they caught that bounce, that's what made SPY spike. Because I mean, you kind of see almost the same exact pattern. So if you look right here carefully where that bounce happened, watch if I go to SPY, it's gonna look almost the same exact way. Watch this. Let me go to SPY. See? Boom. See? That's what caused it. So that was SMCI and Nvidia.
Chick says, Please folks, let's remember to smash the like button for JT.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you so much. I mean, I'm trying to get the little bubble to appear on my thing. I don't know why is it not showing up. What time it is? 12 o'clock. Oh, there you go, bouncing again. See? So one of them moving up then. SMCI must be bouncing. Not yet. So something's moving up. What's moving up? Google still. Damn, man, I should have caught SMCI. I should have caught them bottoms. Oh no, was that Nvidia? Was that Nvidia that bounced off the actual VWAP? I think it was Nvidia maybe. Yep, it was Nvidia. Nvidia bounced off the actual VWAP. That's what it was. I should have caught Nvidia's bounce off that VWAP and started to run back on up. That's what I should have did. The only thing, like I said, Nvidia's trying to get back towards those highs of that 920. Apple jumping slightly. Just a little bit. You got that resistance. I mean, you got to break 182 because you got to remember it moves by twos. So you got to get back above 182. If you stay underneath 182, you got room to come back down to 180 because you got to think about it in the $2 range. So 180, 182, 184. So you got to think about it like that. I mean, because you can see right here where you got those bounces right around that 180. You can clearly see it. When you bounce 180, bounce 180. So again, if you fall, you got room to fall.
JT, you use Think or Swim?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I use Think or Swim TOS, which they are transitioning over to Charles Schwab. And I don't think they transitioned yet though. Market is very slow, not good for option. Hell, no. I mean, like I said, think about it, Bunny. The best thing, like I said, if you don't want to trade SPY, the only best thing I can say is trade all the stocks around it. Again, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia, SMCI. Trade those. I mean, that's the best thing to do. Instead of being caught in SPY's little movement, trade everything that's around it. And, you know, if you was trading Apple, could have caught the drop. If you was trading Meta, you could have caught the bounce. If you was trading Nvidia bounced. Nvidia bounced off of, not Nvidia. Yeah, it was Nvidia. Nvidia right here. So I apologize. Could have caught that bounce off of the VWAP. Boom, ran back on up. So I mean, you could have traded everything else around it. You know, other than SPY. Because I know sometimes it gets annoying. Because SPY goes sideways and you don't know which way it's going to go. So it does get annoying. Because you got to think about it. It's the companies that make SPY move to begin with. So if you just trade the companies themselves, just trade off of that. The smartest thing to do. So, let me see. We did get rejected on Nvidia at that 920. So 920 is still holding up a strong resistance. So it is trying to move back up to that 920 mark. So let me see. I'm trying to figure out if I was to trade. Should I go still for a call or should I still go for a put? Because we already, well, I could go for a call, but I'm like, how much high can Nvidia goes? I mean, will we get rejected at 915 or will we actually go all the way back up to 920? Because if we get rejected at 915, it's going to start a downtrend because your high was 920. So that's why I want to see exactly if we're going to break that 915 up to 920, or will we get rejected right at 915? Because if you think about it, it keeps going down the steps, $5, $5, $5. So it looked like it's still, that bad boy wants to push up to that 920 mark. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on that. We are still moving on up to trying to get to 920 because, again, once we get up to 915, you're only $5 away from 920. So right now, it's definitely looking bullish still. So that bad boy can still be trying to get back up to that 920 mark. Let's see what happens at this 915 on Nvidia. Can we get the breakout or will we get rejected once again in 915 and come back down? Because you can see right here, 915 you got rejected and you had that nice little drop. So it's trying to retest again at that 915 level. So keep your eyes peeled on that. Damn, had I would have caught these bottoms, man. I was too busy looking at SPY. Could have caught that bottom, that Nvidia bounce. Boom. Man, it's overextended right now. That's the only reason I want to chase it. Had I would have caught those VWAP bounces. And I guarantee you that's going to help SPY go back up. Where we at? Yep, see what I mean? So that's going to help push SPY. So I told you that's going to, as long as you hold it uptrend, it's going to push it. So, let's see. With SPY getting close towards the upper VWAP, didn't it do better? Let's look at the reversal back on down. It depends. Well, I mean, like I said, the way that this channel is going, AR, it's still showing an uptrend. You notice that we have not cracked it. The bears tried to crack it, But then the bulls came in super strong and reclaimed it. So, I mean, right now it's in an uptrend. I mean, it's nothing, I mean, it's just in an uptrend until you crack this trend line and come back down towards the 517.50s. Other than that, it's just going to start, it's going to slowly trend up. It's been doing that all week. Look at this. Since what, last Wednesday? No, Thursday. Look at that. It's been on a slow trend. On up, on up, on up. It's still going. I mean, yeah, we cracked that channel. We cracked the channel yesterday, but it's still trending up. It's still going up. Now it's like in a new little channel. It's like, that is insane. I mean, can it find its way back up to that channel? If it does break 520, it could. But right now, I mean, it's still in the upward rotation. Still going up. Still going up. Just still moving. I mean, now again, that's thanks to Nvidia. That's thanks to SMCI. Look at this. It's following exactly what they're doing. Nvidia, SMCI, Google still going up. Yep, Google still going up. I think Meta still going up. Yep, Meta still going up. Is it AMD? No, AMD came down. Amazon, I think it's Amazon. Amazon came down a little bit. I know Apple's trying to get back above 182. So I mean, you got some companies going down. You got some companies going up, which that's why you're not getting a dramatic move on SPY, because SPY's playing off of both sides. You know, it's up and down, which is causing it to go sideways. So that's why you're not getting a dramatic movement at the moment. It's just going sideways because it's getting caught in the mix. One portion of companies going up, another portion is going down. You know, so it's like right in between, which is causing SPY to just go side, like kind of just trend right now. So, which is why what I'm saying is, if you don't want to trade SPY, trade the companies within SPY. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, and so forth. I mean, that's the only thing you can do at this moment, you know? Just watch the patterns of these and just trade off of that. That's the only suggestion I can give you, boss. That's about it. That's the only suggestion I can give. I mean, Apple still don't look bad. I mean, you got that nice strong green candle. As long as you hold 180, I mean, you're good to rotate from, you know, the 182s back on up. As long as 180 hold, 180 is going to be your main crucial point. So as long as that 180 level holds, as far as Apple can still move back on up. You know, it can still start to trend itself back on up, get back above 182, start to trend back up to the 183s, back up to the 184s. You know, so but if you stay underneath 182, yeah, you're gonna come back down to 180. So, I mean, my thing is trade within those companies that make SPY move to begin with. So that'd be the smartest thing to do, you know. So my thing is watch all your companies, see the directions that they're going in. You know, right now, Nvidia's going up, SMCI is going up. So right now, that's those proven bullish at the moment. Again, you got room, you know, as far as Nvidia to run back up towards that 920 mark. So I mean, you still got $5 to go. You know, once you get that break above that 915, you got room to run up to 920. I mean, you can see right here, you hit 920, you get rejected, and it's trying to go right back up to where? 920. So, I mean, you can play that. I mean, it's up to you. You know, it's like I said, just pick a company within SPY and just trade off of them. Because right now, you're just going to get a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down, because you got half of the companies going down, you got half of the companies going up. I mean, other than that, it's going to be, you already know, Chop City for SPY. See, up and down, because, again, some going up, some going down. It's going to be sideways. So, if you take a channel within this channel here, you got 518, what is this, 518.25? Yeah, 518.25, and you bounced around 517.80. So you kind of zigzagging back and forth. See that? You zigzagging from that 518.25 down to 517.80. Just going back and forth, because you have not broken out of this price point here, nor having you crack this price point here. So all you're doing is going back and forth. You're rotating back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth until it makes a true decision which way it wants to really go. Whether it wants to break out of that 518.25 and move up, does it wants to crack the 517.80 and move back down. So right now, I mean, it's just Chop City. That's all I can say, boss. I mean, Chop City. And we have some more news. We have some actual economic data coming out starting tomorrow into Thursday and Friday, so I can go back to it and show y'all. So starting tomorrow, we're going to kick out with some actual economic data. Wednesday is going to be the wholesale inventories. We're going to have the PIA petroleum status. Thursday, we're going to have the jobless claims, the PIA natural gases reports. Friday, we're going to have the consumer sentiments. Oh, next week though, we're gonna have CPI and PPI. That's coming out. I already did my homework, so just to let y'all guys know. So if we go back, we have CPI and PPI data coming out next week. So that can change, you know, that can change the course of a lot of things right now. So let me go back real quick. So we go to next week's chart. Boom. PPI data, CPI data. That's gonna be dated for the 15th and dated for the 14th. That'll be Tuesday and Wednesday. So that'll be next week. So CPI, PPI data. I don't think that. Yeah, that's it. So that's all I got right now. Jay, how you gonna do MJ dirty? Man, let it go, AK. First of all, I wasn't even thinking about Michael Jordan, you know, for copyright purposes. And so, all if I was a symbol, I slapped it on there. Look. You want me to add? I can add it. I don't care. I'll add the Michael Jordan symbol. I'll add Michael Jordan. I'll add Nike. I had to do that for copyright purposes. So, about to go live. All right, boss. I'll be soon heading over there in a few. Cause I got some downtime right now. I mean, the market is just going sideways. I don't see a lick of nothing. Look like we're in a channel of 518.20 to 517.80. We're just kind of back and forth. But this trend line channel is still holding. Where you're rotating up, down. So we're still in this rotation. So still nothing yet on SPY. Nothing dramatic. But shout out to AK47 again, boss. Thank you so much for coming through, man. One of the myth, the man, the legend. So who taught me everything I know. So thank you so much for coming through, boss. We'll be seeing you in your lobby soon. So still nothing, man. Still nothing. Let me see. Let me go back to NVIDIA. So we're still trying to test that 915. No breakout yet. No breakout yet on NVIDIA. Just yet. Still going sideways. Still, no, not sideways, but again, we're getting closer and closer to test that 519. So will we break out or will we get rejected and come back down? What is NVIDIA going to do at this point? So I don't want to get caught chasing. Had I would have caught the bottoms, like I said, the VWAP, oh, I would have rode it back. I would have rode that bad boy on up. So what about SMCI? I don't think it caught a VWAP bounce yet. Nope. Broke above it, but it never came back down to it. So could that be a bounce opportunity? But if we do, that's going to put you right back under that trend. Let me see. What's that trend line at? Trend line is setting where? 22? Oh, no. We nowhere near that, though. Because it bounced right out of that channel. It's trying to stay on top of it, on top of that red line without trying to fall back into it. Because you see what happened last time it fell back down into that damn thing. And then you got that 50 right above your head, lining up where? At 860. So, So, trying to figure out what I want to do. Should I get in and ride it potentially up to 840, 860? Potentially. So we still haven't got to that VWAP yet, though. Still never tested that VWAP. I just want to see what's going to happen and we're going to get that. Matter of fact, you already know what I'm about to do. You already know more. They're going to make fun of me. I don't care. Make fun of me. It is what it is. I just want to make sure. Because I can't watch every stock. I can't watch everything. So let me go ahead and set my alert. You already know he about to make fun of me for this. Alright, so at or below. I knew it was coming. Before I even look, I knew it was coming. I knew he was gonna do it. Alright, let's see. Alright, cool. So that'll let me know that we're moving back down towards that VWAP for SMCI, just in case I'm thinking about going for a bounce. Alright, what else could I probably trade? What about Meta? No, Meta nowhere near the VWAP. Nope, that's a no-go. But how much high can we go, though? 480? Still got some ways to go because you're only around 472, so that's still some ways to go on that crap. Man, they just all over the place. AMD coming back down. What can you bounce at? Crack that VWAP, you definitely got room to fall back down to that 55, 155, 50 level where you got this bounce at, and you really crack that back on down to 55 itself. Oh man, so many options right now. I'm trying to get on the right side of momentum on one of these bad boys. I'm trying to look at them all. NVIDIA. What did I say about NVIDIA? Oh, NVIDIA's still going. Oh, so getting rejected at 915 again. see that long upper shadow too. That's what I'm watching. I'm like, is that going to try to hold above that mark and try to go back on up? Oh, my bad. Let me figure this out. Because I'm trying to go for a trade, but I want to be on the right side of momentum. I want to be smart. Because if you do go this way, you got room. So if I would have went in for a put last night, oh yeah, I could have got out of that drop, huh? It's right at that 920s. Because, I mean, we are overextended, but, I mean, you got room to hit this trend line and actually come back down on NVIDIA. I mean, it does look like some little highs up there. 925-ish. What you think, Coldplay and Marty? I mean, NVIDIA does look like, I mean, you got that resistance up here. I mean, that does look like a put opportunity. I mean, it does on NVIDIA, where see right here? See, it does. Let me go back to the where you got room. See, you see this channel? See, every time you hit that channel, you fall. And we are right around this little area again. So that's what I'm thinking. Can we go up, or we'll start to fade underneath that 515 mark? I mean 915. We actually start to fade back this way since we already hit the tops. So that's what I was thinking. I'm like, if we stay underneath 519, you start to move down $5 from 525. I'm sorry, 920, 915 back down 910. You actually start to create a downtrend back down toward the 900s, like back down this way. Ugh, it's hard to. I know that's what I'm saying, and I can just look at the prices and tell what it's doing. So, like I said, from 920, and if you lose 915, you're gonna start the downtrend. Let me see, because you already got the bottoms. See, you already missed the ride on up. See, now you're at these tops where we can start to actually rotate it back down again. See, that's what I'm checking out. So I'm like, so what would we need to? Okay, what would we need to get under to convince me? See, okay, right here, we need to get back under 910 because you bounce off of 910, bounce. So we'll have to crack 910 in order to convince me that we're going back on the downside. So we need to those bears need to take out 910, because other than that, you're gonna like kind of channel in between this little area back and forth. Because you see that long upper shadow, the lower shadow, and where that body is at is right above 910. So you still got some type of support holding you. So, man, because the way this is setting up right here, and it's bouncing off that 910 like it wants to go back this way. That's the way it's setting up. It looks like it wants to push back this way. So that's why I'm not jumping in just yet. Because the way you got that long lower shadow, it looks like it wants to catapult back that way. So that's why I'm not doing that just yet. Now, if we crack 910, I can be like, okay, cool. We have some type of resistance. I mean, like a good little ceiling of, two ceilings. You'll have 920 and you'll have 910. So right now, that long upper shadow is that's the only thing that's kind of making me like, That's why I'm not doing that. I see that long, like I said, I see that long upper shadow. I'm like, nope. I ain't falling for that crap. You ain't catching me. Not even on your worst day. See what I mean? So that's why I'm like, nope. And look where it's bouncing off at, 910. So I'm like, nope. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'd rather wait for that bad boy to go higher. Even though it's getting on my damn nerves right now. So I'm gonna just let it go up higher. So, okay, what can I do for NVIDIA? So, okay, put it like this. If we break, I'm gonna put an alert at 920. I'll put an alert on 920 on the upside. So let me set an alert for NVIDIA at 920. So that let me know that we are breaking 920, trying to go to those higher levels. All right, so let me set up an alert. All right, cool. So that's gonna let me know that we're crossing over to the upside. So I wanted to go higher, so I can catch that bad boy on the put side. So that let me know it's going up, because I already missed the bounce right here. You know, that VWAP bounce, which I love VWAP bounces. So the fact is I missed that and it's getting overextended, I'm gonna just let it ride up and just catch it on the put side, back on down. Coin 22 shelf crack on HI watch, a holler on high, so sorry about that. Shout out to you, boss. I feel like SPY about to what? Gert, what you mean? SPY about to what? What's SPY doing? You got well. SPY needs to break that 518.20. SPY needs to break that because you can see every time we hit 518.20, rejected. 518.20, rejected. 518.20, rejected. So yeah, it needs to break 518.20. You can clearly see where it needs to break out at. We definitely need that break. It looks somewhat of in a little ascending triangle setup too. So if I do this, can we get an ascending triangle breakout right here, right at that 518.20? Can we get it? Yep, right here 518.20. When you look like an ascending triangle setup for a little squeeze. Let's see. Keep it on watch. So I'm gonna definitely keep it on watch. What company's in the red right now? SMCI's in the red? No, it can't be. I just watch that. Unless it's getting a little getting a little pullback, but still holding up. Damn. Soon as all my mouth, the middle of my mouth. Why? Every time on my mouth, it's like every time it never fails. You selfish son. That mean the video getting pulled back there. Let me see. The middle of my mouth. I'm like, God dang it. Well, Nvidia hasn't had we haven't not pulling back hard yet. Still need that 519. That 915. So we haven't got a hard pullback underneath that yet. Because again, we do get a hard pullback, we would need to take out the 910s for the possible move back on down. So right now, you still got support at that 910 area, and you kind of like balancing between 915 and 910. So SMCI would need to break above 915 for that push on up to 920 to retest that area that we got rejected at before, which is still putting you underneath that trend line here. So that's still resistance till you break above it. So nothing yet, man. God. So no trade for me. I ain't rushing, man. I'm just gonna wait for the setups, man. I'm watching on all platforms right now. SPY look like it's trying to break that 520. That 518.20 mark. It's trying to break it. So let's see. Will we break out or will we get rejected? Let's see. Don't get me wrong. The indicators are starting to get a little bit closer together as far as the 30-minute time frame. So that's a good thing. So they're getting a little bit tighter, slowly. That 50, that 20, and that 9 is starting to getting a little bit like this, a little bit more, which is a good thing for possible put opportunities, because now you're closing those gaps in between the indicators, because you have nothing but room in between when you have gaps like this where you can bounce. But now they're starting to get a little tighter, slightly. Not yet though, not yet. Still got a little bit of gap in between that. So, you got to see it close off. You got to see those gaps close. Put all those indicators together. So right now, you still got a little bit of space, which telling me you still got a little bit of room to go on the upside. So still a little bit of room. Which you can see right here. That's what I mean. See how it's pushing? Still a little bit of room to go. That's why I tell y'all, as long as that trend line holds, team, you're still good for calls. As long as that trend line holds. Because everything's still pointing to the upside. Your 30-minute time frame, even if I take all these lines off, you can see it. Watch. If I do this, you can clearly still see it. See that? Indicators are still going up. Like I said, your 3-minute can go up and down, crossover, whatever, but it's that 30-minute time frame is the main focus. Because, again, those indicators are way more powerful on the 30-minute than it is on the 3-minute. So, those indicators are still going up. So, that's pinpoint that and look at the movement. From what? Last Thursday? Wednesday, from this bounce off of Wednesday, boom, you've been trending up ever since last week. Look at that, trend up. It's like that 50 has not came down yet. That 50, once that 50 caught that little bounce, that 50 just ran up. Still going up. So that's still point. Look at this, uptrend. Even without me putting my lines, you can see an uptrend after this pullback here. This bounce, uptrend. It's just still going. So that leads me to believe that bad boy is trying to go up to the 520s. And if we get, man, this is crazy. Like I said, just stay on calls. Don't make it complicated. Stay on calls. Don't make it complicated. I'm trying to help you guys out, man. I don't want puts getting caught up in anything, man. Stay on calls. Stay on calls right now. Until we start to see signs of rejection, strong rejections on the main areas. Like I said, 517.50. 516s, 514s. Back down to our old, I mean, look, we haven't even came back down to our old original areas. 513.80, 508.50. We still ain't even came back down to these levels yet. So that's what I'm saying. Just be patient. Just wait for everything. Just to, because right now, it's definitely still bullish. Don't chase that. Don't chase it. Do not chase it, my friends. Don't chase it. Still trying to find a way to break out of that 518.20 level. Still getting a little bit of rejection underneath 518, but the trend line is still holding. Ascending triangle is still holding. So it's like, could it be set itself up for a possible squeeze soon, or will we crack this? But every time we crack it, bulls move back in. Here we go, pulling back. Let's see. See what I mean? So bulls are definitely trying to protect that trend line. So keeping that on watch, because we still haven't came all the way back down to this VWAP yet. We still haven't fell back down to the VWAP. Came close to it, but we haven't touched it. Excuse me. All right. Netflix. Wow. Total field gap bottom. Let me see Netflix. Damn. Do I have Netflix on here? I could have sworn I did. Uh-oh. Wait, what area did I have set for this? Wait, what did I say needed to crack? On SMCI? Cause we are pulling back down. Is Nvidia getting weak? Oh, there we go. So, are we gonna actually come back underneath that 910? Are we gonna stay underneath 910 is the $1 million question. 910, we need to stay underneath 910. So that means that the other candle is gonna open up this way and go back this way. So 915 is still holding up as strong resistance. So that looks like a strong resistance mark. Okay. It's just that damn long up a shadow. That's the only thing that's just kind of making me a little, just kind of like, It's like if we can just get back underneath 910, I'll feel better. Get back underneath 910 and close underneath 910, then therefore we're doing away with that 910 support. So we right there. We not, then we pulling back. Where we at now? 911. So we pulling back slowly, trying to pull back, trying to slowly pull back. See, we stay underneath 910. I can probably go for it. Let me see. I should have got in at 915 and just took a risk on it. Let me see the contracts on that bad boy. Cause I mean, like I said, if you get tired of chasing whatchamacallit, man, just trade some other stocks. That's the only thing you can do. I might look at Nvidia. I'm just letting y'all guys know. I might look at Nvidia for puts. So, when is the date? 17th? No, wait. Got a shorter date than that. The 10th. Yeah. All right, 10th. All right, here we go. Guys, there's some good volume on them. Let me check it out. Let me see how it's looking. Let me check out. Let me go to Nvidia real quick. I want to see. Coin whammy. And I got you on the Michael Jordan symbol, AK. I got you. And then, you know what? I'm going to put a little title on the go. I'm going to call it Air AKs. Ooh, cold. Don't do them to Terrio. Let me see. So getting a little bit of some weakness, some still weakness. So let me see if it's going to go back up. I might go for a little small put opportunity on Nvidia. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the setups. Just another day successful alert. Oh, AK always killing it, man. AK stay killing. Oh, man, come on, man. Give me a bounce first before you start pulling back. So I can jump in, take a little small scalp, I guess. I don't know. Go back up. Bring your little... All right, matter of fact, let me see the indicators on the 30-minute on Nvidia. How are we looking on that? Does that look like it's setting up for a crossover, maybe? To give me a little bit of confidence? Ooh, wait, hold up. Wait a minute. So the 90 MA is underneath the 50. Ooh, that ain't good. But the 20 still on top. So I need the 20 to cross over because now that look like it wants to... I'm going to keep my eyes peeled. I'm going to see what it's going to do. Because it looked like it wants to cross, but it's still holding. I'm going to watch that carefully. Because the 9 is at the bottom underneath. That 20 needs to come back and needs to cross that 50 as well. So the 50 can be up there by itself. So it does look like it's slowly. So I'm keeping this on watch though. Watching that 910 very. I am not jumping in at 910 on no put right now for that thing to blast back on off negative. So that's why I said I'm gonna wait for a pop back on up, and I can probably go for it. I'm keeping my eyes peeled on this though. Because I still think that Nvidia still wants to go up. Like, man, the way it's setting up, like it still wants to bounce to go this way.
Crack on down spy.
It's cracking? Where we at? Oh snap, we didn't crack the trend line. Oh snap. Oh snap, we didn't crack the trend line. Okay, now. Appreciate it so much, Thunder. Now, the main focus is what we want to focus on during this pullback. We have to take out 517.50. You have to take out 517.50. Again, and I'm going to tell you why it's 517.50. You have to take them out because, where's my damn chart at? There we go. It's because 517.50 plays a major role too. So we go back. Let's go back to the charts. Where we at? Boom. So we notice, where did that bounce occur? Boom. See that bounce? Old support. What was that? 517.50. So we got to take them out to bring us back down to that where? 513.80. Why did I call 513.80? We go back across the board. Where's we at? Where we had that? Where did you have that strong bounce at? Boom. 513.80. Bounce. So we got to take out 517.50 down to 513.80. When you had the strong bounce, you got to take all the support away from them. So yeah, we pulling back, but we need to take them out. See how it keeps holding? Got to take them out. As long, I understand we're getting pullbacks, but as long as you stay above 517.50, that's still considered bullish. You're still above the VWAP, still considered bullish. So you got to keep that in mind. So I'm not getting excited just yet until we start to crack certain key levels to take these bad boys out. Other than that, still no go for me yet. Still no go yet. Until we crack certain key levels we need to take out. So right now, you're still on top of the VWAP. Let me see. Oh, now you want to give me that. Wait, oh shoot. I had the wrong contract. I mean, god dang it. I was about to look for I was like, damn, I've been calling for that VWAP bounce for the longest. I'm like, damn it, I was going on Nvidia. I was looking at Nvidia contracts. I forgot I switched it. See, Nvidia bouncing back on up. See, that's bouncing back on up, so that's pulling back. So I still think Nvidia still wants to go this way though. That's why I'm still not jumping in just yet. Because I mean, even though you get this little minor pullback, still think it wants to still go back this way toward that 915. So I'm just keeping that on watch. So I'm gonna see where we go. Because it does still like it wants to just shoot this way. And I mean, that's why I'm not falling for that trick right here. Because that does look like a setup where you're going to have number puts trying to jump in, thinking that the thing is going to crack. And next thing you know, boom, it go back that way. Like, nah, you not, dude, it's like, you're not catching me. You're not catching me. Nice try, but you're not catching me. No. Sorry for your loss. But, see what I mean? As long as that 517.50 hold, that VWAP hold, nope. Still not falling for it. Still not doing it. See how it's jumping back on up? That still call opportunity. Let me go back to my old, did I save my contract for my, for today? I think I do. I think I still had it. Where is it at now? I had the wrong contract up. I was gonna jump in it, but I didn't realize I had the same, the Nvidia contract. Contract, all right, it's not doing nothing. Let me go to another call, contract on puts. I mean on calls, on SPX. Let me see how it's looking today. So still nothing for me still. Haven't jumped in nothing yet. Let me try this contract, how does it look? Still ain't like blast off or nothing. I mean, it's like some little baby movements on it. Target 216.50 to 217. Thank you so much, AK. Thank you so much, boss. So, yep, still no go for me, man. Still nothing, man. Just it's all this sideways crap. Sideways crapping. All right, let me see. I might go for a small. Let me see. Where's that? 38 too. Shit, I might go for a small call. Just keep my eyes peeled on this, because the VWAP is still holding. Especially if we get back on top of that trend line. And we get back, they reclaim that trend line. It's going to go for a squeeze back this way. So I'm going to watch this, because if they get back on top of that trend line, you only got so much space before you're going to squeeze this way. So if they reclaim that, I'm gonna keep it on watch. Let me see what's gonna happen. If those bulls get back above that, I'm gonna see. Oh shoot, then I gotta go to the restroom. God dog it. Team, I'm gonna be right back, man. I gotta run to the restroom. Mars, hold it down for me real quick. Let me run real quick to try to get myself set up before the for my possible trade. So let me run to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I'm getting myself set up. Yeah, so yeah, team, if y'all have any questions, comments, and concerns, my mods will be here to help you guys with anything y'all need on all platforms. I just have to run to the restroom. I'll be right back before I get ready for my trade. Thank you. Make sure I got set up. I'm back, team. I'm back. So I'm still watching that trend line. So let's see what's gonna happen right here at this level. So could they reclaim that trend line again and go back up? Let's see. It looked like it, because even on that 30-minute time frame, that 9 MA is holding. So could we get that squeeze above that 820 mark? I mean 518.20. So I'm definitely keep this on watch right now, team. Keep it on watch because it looks like it wants to break out of that 518.20 and squeeze back this way. You know, I'm getting this little pullback, still above that VWAP. So all that matters, still above the VWAP. Oops, let me do that. Should have caught that damn VWAP. Damn, I should have caught it. I was looking at everything else. Should I go for one little call just to hold, just to see? Can we hold that bad boy? Could I just, take a little chance? I might do it. Take a little chance, and just see if we're gonna get that push. Let me see. See if those buys gonna move in. They holding that trend line. I'm definitely keep my eyes peeled on this trend line, and I definitely don't want to miss if they do push. Keep my eyes peeled, team. Keep my eyes peeled. I might go with one small. Let's see, where's my VWAP at on my chart? We're not above the VWAP yet, huh? Where's it at? Where's the VWAP? 509. Trying to squeeze something. Up. Now my ooh. Get that, I ain't pressed the button yet. Let me see if they trapping bears. Let me see if they trapping them. Let me keep my eyes peeled. Let me see if they trapping some bears, or we're gonna actually get the pullback. All right, it's pulling back. Because I don't want to see no bear trap where you see a long up a shot, the buy start to move it back up.
Thunderottle says, spy red candle.
Yeah, I'm watching it. That's why I'm just making sure it's not a bear trap. I'm just making sure that that them buys not about to move back in and start to pull it right back up. See what I mean? Keep it on watch. I'm watching that trend line. I'm watching that channel. Are we gonna stay out of that channel? Or are we going back in that channel? So I want to see what these buys gonna do. Are they gonna reclaim this channel again? Or are we gonna stay out of it? All right, we're coming out of it. All right, we're gapping down. So good thing I ain't press that button. Wait, no, keep my eyes peeled. I was setting up to. I was setting up to do it. Just about to. Good thing I just kind of waited it out. Let me see. Damn, all this sideways movement crap. It's like, come on, man. So where we at as far as SMCI now? NVIDIA. NVIDIA hasn't. Oh, so wait, no. We haven't lost that 900 mark yet on NVIDIA yet. So I'm watching it on the side. SMCI needs to lose 820, if I'm not mistaken. I think 820. Still no crossover yet on these dang indicators, man. Like, come on, man. Y'all gonna keep going up or y'all gonna soon start curling down? It's like, man, like, let it go. Start turning. But I'm just paying close attention. Very, very close. Jay, are you still in your yep? I was still waiting to add. I thought we were gonna go up to the 20s. I mean, could it?
Jeremy B says, SPY 10-year auction note in 15 minutes.
Appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. Man, why is my bubble not popping up? This is annoying. Like, man, I want to see y'all pictures. I'm like, why is this thing not showing up? Driving me crazy, man. I mean, let me see if I can try to fix it while it's doing this thing. I'm still watching those buys because, I mean, like I said, man, it just every time you look like it pulls back, it goes right back up. That's why I don't want to fall for that crap. Why? Let me see something. Let me try something. Real quick.
Jeremy
maybe.
says, correction. 3-year note in 15 minutes.
Thank you, boss. I'm trying to think where I saved my file at. Did I save my was it on the J Trace where I saved the file for that ninja crap? I mean, for that chat. Where did I save it at? Because I'm thinking like maybe because I moved the file around, maybe that's why it's not showing up, but it can't be. Well, let me see. No, because it's still in my download. So, well, no, because it's still working because I can hear y'all talking. So what the hell is, I don't know, man. This thing just gets frustrating, man. Let me try the website again. It's annoying, man. Let me see. Let me try to test it again. Like I said, I can hear y'all, but I just cannot see y'all. That's the crazy part. Where's my YouTube chat? I'm still watching it. Where's YouTube chat? Boom. All right. Let me test it again. Let me test it one more time.
Jatrix says,
nope.
Test.
Still nothing. Still not popping up. I just switched out all the codes and everything. Man, I want to add some more, but I'm like, are we going to actually give this crap up and not be playing around and go jump back up? Because I want to add some more contracts, but I'm like, are we going to really fall this time? Like, really pull? Shoot. I'm trying to catch all the tops right now. I'm not trying to put them all in the same spot. Still above that VWAP, still above that 750. Come, what are we going to do? It's like, come on, man. Bears got to step in, man. Still just sitting on one. I still haven't had no more yet. Just been waiting for the tops, man. Because it's like, I've been waiting towards like the 518.50 to 520-ish area. Because not knowing because look how we've been going. It's like, why not think that we're not going to go this way? So it's like, that's why I've been waiting. Because, man, we ain't got no clear signs yet. We're still above 517.50. Once we get back into back underneath 517.50, then I'll be like, okay, now we're in the channel 517.50 back down to 513. So as long as we're on top, you got room to run up. I know, man. Marty, you not lying. It's like just been a sloth day. Let me see. I'm trying to figure out what can I do to get this damn thing to work again. Let me try something real quick. Let me try to add it. Let me add the link in my other thing again. Let me see. Let me try it again, team. I'm trying to get this thing to work, man. I promise y'all. Where is my docs? Custom Ninja chat. Apply. All right. I'm gonna try it again. We'll try to go for it again. All right. I tried to re-add it again. So matter of fact, let me take my YouTube comment and just try to see if I can, let me close it out again and go back to it again. See if I can get it to work. Okay, so let me take it out. Take out the pop-up and let's see. Try to test it one more time. Did we get it?
Jatrid says. Test.
Nope. I don't know what else. I don't know, team. I don't know. I don't know. I give up. I give up. I can't get the bubble to pop up for nothing in the world. Still pulling back though. Still getting a nice little pullback. It's getting a nice little pullback. So still good on my puts. I'm still holding mine. So I'm just waiting on just seeing where we're going, man. I'm just sitting here. Oh, now you want to start moving on down. Let's see. Can we get underneath that 517.50? Can we start pulling? Let's see. Let's see. Still waiting. Still waiting. I'm not jumping for joy just yet. I'm still just sitting here waiting. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still just waiting. Because again, they have to get to certain key levels for me to get excited. Back underneath 517.50, back down to the 513.80s. I'm good. Right now, I'm still not jumping the gun yet. Still just patience, being patient. Cause right now we done pull back down to this area. Still watching, still watching. Not jumping for joy yet. Not yet, not yet. Matter of fact, what is the? I think it's still set the same as far as the max pain. As far as for SPY, I think the max pain is still at what 510, I think. Come on, man. Trying to see if we for this thing to load up. Oh, here we go. Damn, now I didn't switch it. Now they got it for 514. Now I didn't switch the max pain. 514 now. It was at 510. Now they moved up to 514. And then tomorrow was 513. So still no go yet. Still nothing yet. I mean, we ain't got to those levels yet. Still got some ways to go. So 514 a day, max pain. So where we at right now, 517. So in order for us to get to 514, we're gonna definitely have to get that pull back down, which is gonna put us around at 513.80. So will we get it today? I don't know. That's just a $3 drop from this point to that my mark, which, like I said, I have 513.80. So the max pain is 514. It's lining up right with my my line that I have down here. So we cracked 517.50. I mean, definitely start to lose a little bit of traction. So we'll see. Cause these trend lines, I mean, these indicators still ain't crossed over yet. That is insane, bro. Like, they really holding this up. Like, I have not seen these indicators cross over yet. Look how far now you back spread out again on the as far as your 50 to 9, 20 and the 9. It's like it's just no crossing over or it's not bending. Still just heading this way. So still just no go yet. There's nothing I can do. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I just have to sit there and watch. I mean, I don't know. That bad boy moving now. The 50 is moving up to the 517 mark. That 50 is moving up to the 517. So still nothing yet. Still just steady going. Steady moving up. Still nothing. Still no signs yet. That up, we about to tumble on down. Nothing yet. Still just a little bit of pullbacks, go back up. Little bit of pullback, go back up. So nothing yet, team. Still some sideways crap. Breaking down trend on Apple. Still needs to get it back above 182. Get back above 182, turn that 182 back into a floor. You have the opportunity to start to move back up towards the 183s to that 184. So yeah, 182 you testing right now, Marty. Keep your eyes peeled on 182. As long as that 182, as long as you can break out and hold, you got room to run back on up. So keep your eyes peeled at 182. So that's why I say the best thing to do is to trade around it. Trade around SPY. So, all I'm doing is see if we're going to get that pullback, that crack, or we're going to hold this key level, stay in this damn channel. So, I just want to see if we're going to crack that 1750. Because where we at right now? 517.75, about 25 cents away from it. So, we still haven't got all the way down to it yet to retest it. Not yet. I mean, we're getting there, but it's just slow. Not yet. Oh, god dang, soon as I open my mouth. There we go. Okay. It's like the minute I open my mouth, it just does it. that's the case, why I can't win the lottery? No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. Still trying to hold on that VWAP. I mean, we didn't crack that channel. We definitely cracked that channel. We out of it. So now, again, I just want to see 117.50 get taken out. You know, for that push back on down towards those 516 marks. So I definitely want to see it start turning back down this way. But again, we gotta crack so many levels to get there. See, VWAP still trying to hold, trying to get back above fate, trying to go back the other way again. So let's see. Where's Nvidia at right now? So Nvidia still. So again, you haven't. I mean, like I said, I mean, it hasn't got like a major pullback yet. You know, like a major drop. It just kind of 515, 515. It looks like an M pattern, kind of slowly setting itself up. That's what it looked like. It looked like somewhat of an M pattern on Nvidia. But we definitely got to take out 910 for Nvidia. And if you're going for calls, you got to break out of 915. SMCI. Where is it at? Wait, what? Oh, I do see it. SMCI is getting rejected away from that 9. Well, we didn't go all the way to that 840, so we definitely got rejected still at that 830-ish mark here again. Room back on down towards that 820, back down to the 810s. So coming down to 820 next. The minute we crack that 825, you got room to fall back down to 820. So still a little bit of. It's not like a bad. I mean, it's not like bad to where, you know, bears are coming in and clobbering them. So it's not none of that. Still some sideways movement still. So it's not getting. We're still not getting a strong signal as far as on a put side still. I mean, you get these little candles, but they not. Still nothing really, just yet. I mean, we all coming down. It's just like slow, very slow. It's trending down. SPY, what's SPY right now? SPY is okay. Where we at? Still testing in on 517.70-ish area. Still trying to. Let's run that real quick. Back over. Right. So SPY still trying to hold VWAP. I mean, the indicators are crossing on a 3-minute, but we still ain't got no crossover yet on that 30-minute. Still holding strong. I mean, still nothing. Nothing yet. Not yet. Still just a no. Still no go. When was the last time SPY even touched this 50 on a 30-minute time frame? That's the question. Last week? Last Thursday was the last time that bad boy touched it. Other than that, I ain't never touched it ever since. Look at that. I ain't never came back down to that 50. I ain't never seen it touch that 50 since last week. Jay, can you call up your market makers until? Oh man, I was gonna say I think they might try to drop it soon because I wonder how many people are really gonna try to hold during the PPI, CPI data, especially CPI data. So. I mean, I told you, just steady going. Especially again, you get that break above that 18, that 518.20, we're just gonna keep pushing. I wish I could, boss. If I could, man, I'm telling you. That's why I said the best thing to do is not even get irritated with SPY, trade other companies around it. That's why I say, I mean, I was just saying we're gonna get that crack, but it looked like we was coming down to that 517.50 and we went right back on up. So nothing yet. Nothing yet. So that's why I'm watching other stocks, see if I can try to catch an opportunity with them, because I ain't going to be sitting there with SPY all damn day. I ain't doing this. Let's see. I think SMCI wants to bounce back up. Looks like we want to bounce back on up. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled on that. It's going to bounce up. We're going to get that pullback. But it looks like it wants to bounce back on up, even just by the look at this 30-minute time frame, because, again, indicators are holding up right on this side, too. So like you're getting these little bounces, but you go right the hell back up. Look like it wants to start to transition back this way. That's what it looked like back up to that 830 mark. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that too. Nvidia. Where we at on Nvidia? I just don't see nothing yet for me. I'm just like, Apple still got to get above that 182 mark. Still ain't back and haven't broken above it yet. I mean, it look like it's setting itself up for a red to green. Like you want to go back above the 182. So Apple traders, you have to definitely get back above 182 for the move back on up, and it has to hold 182. Every time I open my mouth, it's just, God dog, every time. All right, let's see Tesla. Tesla needs to. Well, we didn't crack the 180 level, so we're back gonna need that. Tesla would need to get back above 180 for sure. AMD. AMD is holding on top of that 155-ish level. 155. Let me see. Might be actually 154. No, 155. Could you run up to 155? So you rotate around one. Nope, 155. So 155. So that is right. All right. Where we at now? Boom. See, I knew it was trying to go back up to that damn mark. 118.20. I knew it. I was like, man, I'm telling you, man, they trying to go back up to the 1820. I said it'd be something that they reclaim that trend, that channel. I knew it. I was like, they gonna do it. They gonna freaking do it. I knew that was coming. I knew it. I just felt it in my bones. They was trying to get back up to that 18.20. That's why I said I would. That's why I said I wasn't jumping for joy. I knew it. It's like you wasn't fooling me. You wasn't about to catch me. I knew you. I just knew it. I was like, as long as you held above that VWAP and you hit above 1750, that's why I was not jumping for joy. I said we would need to crack it, but as long as you hold above, it's still bullish. As I stated to y'all before, it's still moving up. I mean, indicators are still holding. I mean, nothing I can say on that. You know what I mean? I know a lot of puts are hungry. They want it, but I mean, what? Ain't nothing I can do. I mean, team, I'm trying the best that I can. I mean, again, you might as well go with the flow. You know, you gotta get out of the put ways and ride calls and just go with the momentum until we shift. Other than that, I mean, you just be waiting, missing out on money. You know, waiting on puts when you just go for a call and just ride that bad boy on up. Smartest thing to do. So it's the only way. I mean, it's the only way to go. All right, where we at right now? So my contracts are not moving as big though. That's the thing. See that 5? No. I'm trying to look at my contracts real quick. We bounced off at a 250 now, back in the threes. $3 range. See, man, so it's like, man, what? It's like I damn near gotta make a new channel here at this bounce. But I'm like, man, it's another, it's crazy. But what price is matching that though? Cause you bounced and then try to run right back up to this one and it got rejected. But it still look bullish. I mean, I know it's getting a pullback, but that bad boy still looks bullish. Then you're still on top of the VWAP. I mean, it just does. I mean, it still looks bullish. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, like I said, you might as well go with the flow because it's like I wanna. Queen, you in on the call? Cause I'm thinking about just saying bumping and just take a risk, just go for a small. Cause they holding it up. Still, I mean, they trying to get those buys to push. They trying to get those buys to come in and push that 1820. So it's trying to go up higher than that high day. Cause I don't think that 518.20 gonna be it. I think they're trying to go for a higher mark, team. I'm just being honest with you. So. What was the lows on this contract? Cause I want to make sure I'm getting in the right area. Cause I definitely, what we at right now on my delta anyway? What my delta at? 33. Still ain't bad. Might pull back down to those lows. What was the lows at? 250. Damn it, I think I missed it. 518, because 518 holds. You're definitely trying to push back up. Yep, 518. I was trying to catch them lows as possible. I was trying to catch it. I missed it. Pulling back again. Yeah, Deck wasn't lying about today. Today's gonna be tricky. Today's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be definitely tricky, man. I'm just trying to catch the lows because I'm like, man, this bad boy here is just, it's really irking my nerves right now. It's really irking my nerves. This is insane. This is sanity. Insanity. See what I mean? Let's pull it back again. It's like, but I'm trying to see if I can find a pattern real quick, man. I'm definitely trying to find a pattern. I mean, all I can see is, I mean, I know the top. I see where the tops is at. Still holding the top of this little area right here where we bounced at. What is this? Yeah, about 517.80. Yeah, about 517.80. So let me see something real quick. Let me, yeah, 517.80. So long as that holds. This is crazy. This is madness, man. Straight madness. It's like, are we gonna get back on top of 518? Are we gonna stay underneath 518? Because I see what bulls are doing. Bulls are trying to set up as many bear traps to create a huger squeeze. I see exactly what they're trying to do. I can see it. So I want to see if they're gonna get it. If they see, look, boom, see. Call that from, we can call that from a mile away. I can see what they're doing. They're trying to trap those bears. They trying to see. They thinking of those puts jumping in right here, squeezing them. That's exactly, they doing it to create that squeeze. Them bears, because they're trying to get enough bulls to break that 518.20. They're trying to get enough buyers to break that 518.20 mark. Because you can see every time you hit 518.20, look how many times you got rejected. They need enough buyers to push. They need enough buyers to push that bad boy. So what they're gonna do is, the only way to do that is to set up as many bear traps as possible to squeeze, to create that, make that squeeze way powerful to break that 518.20. I'm telling you, that's what they're trying to do. I think I'm gonna I ain't gonna lie. I think I might go snake skin Randy. I mean, I might just take a chance. I ain't gonna lie. I know it's gonna be risky. I know. You ain't gotta tell me. I know it's gonna be risky. That's why I'm trying to go with a small position and play it by ear. In a little bit. Cause I'm trying to get as low as possible. Traders, today is the slowest day we have this week. Please note all green days good. Do not force. You know what I mean? Exactly. Yeah, you're right, boss. Exactly. So I'm telling you, they trying to create a squeeze. They trying to create some type of squeeze right here at 518.20. That's what they trying to do. They trying to get as many buys as they can to push as much as they can through that, through that mark. So I want to up. Yeah, I got a little gap up. So there you go on that one. So a little gap up. So they trying. I'm telling you, they trying to go up. That's why I gapped up. They trying to push it. They trying to get it close to that 518.20 as possible for that push. So they go with a little pullback. They do another pullback. I already see what they're doing. Here we go. Pulling back again. That's why I want to get these lows. I want to get this low. Let me see. Can it catch my order? Pulling back down to $3. I'm going to go for it. I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to just do one. I'm going to do one just to test it. Y'all ain't got to do it. I'm going to do it. I got it. I'm going to do it. I just want to see. I just want to go on one contract just to test it. Oh, damn it. Wait, man. Oh, I didn't grab my order. You son of a... All right, pull back. It missed my order. Oh, you dirty somebody. I was doing it too. I was doing it. Damn it. I'm trying to do it before this possible squeeze happens. That's why I'm see what I mean? Damn, man. I was trying to do it. Can it catch my order on this pullback? Can it catch it? Let me see. Can it catch it? I might have to go higher though. Because I'm telling that squeeze is coming, man. I'm not trying to chase this thing before this pop. I was just trying to see if we're going to get that pullback, but then they catch my orders, man. Ah, I had it set too. I had it set and ready. Because I know what it's trying to gear up to do. I know exactly what it's trying to gear up to do. That's why I'm just trying to see if I can hurry up and do it before we go in that potential. Potential. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Potential. I mean, it has the capability to push. So that's why I'm just saying, what we're going to do, I was trying to get my orders in, and it missed me. Because I'm going to go with a small amount just to test it. All right, we pull them back again. Here we go. Can it grab it now? Can we grab it this time? See if it's going to grab my order this time. I'm gonna just test it. Like I said, I'm gonna just go for a small little amount. Let me see if we're gonna get it. Is it gonna grab my order this time? Can I get it? Can I get it? It's like right there by my order. Like literally about what? Well, it was about 10 cents away. Oh, there we go. Come on, man. Give me a pullback, man. I mean, I just want this bad boy to grab my order real quick, man. It's like it keeps floating right on top of it. And I don't want to move it up because I want to stay right where I'm at. All right, let's see. There we go, pulling back. All right, here we go. Man, about damn time. Shoot, I was waiting on it. All right, come on. Grab it. Grab my order. Pulling back. Here we go. Let me see. Ah, you bastard. He shot back. This thing is just irking my nerves. It's irking my nerves. It's like 40 cents above my entry. Ah, come on, man. I sat there waiting the whole time. I knew what it was going to do. I knew what it was trying to do. I knew it. Ah, you little MFer. I knew what it was. I told y'all what it was setting up to do. I knew it. I knew what it was doing. It missed my damn order. I'd have been up already in profit. All right, get a pullback. Because I already know they gonna get these buys to move in to break that 518.20. I was trying to get in the low areas as possible. Because I knew what they was trying to do. I knew it, because they trying to get back on top of that trend line. Because they're going to need to break that 518.20 to get back on top, to reclaim this trend line. So if I take this off, they focus is to get back on this. So which is why they're trying to push it. I know what they're doing. That's why I was trying to hurry and jump in. I knew what they was doing. Oh, man, it missed my order. It came down to like about 20 cents. And then it couldn't catch me. Man, that was foul. That was so foul. I had my order set too. So foul. So foul. Cold as ice, man. I just wasn't chasing. Let me see if the next candle. Let's see if we get a quick little red candle, then try to go back up again. Let me see. That'd have been a quick scalp too. I was trying to do it. They kept missing my dang order every single time. Because I know they're trying to squeeze. They're trying to get that break above that 518.20. Because they're trying to get back on top of this trend line. You get back on top of that trend line, it's going to put you closer to 518.40, to the area 518.50 I called out, and it's going to keep pushing. So, I'm trying, team. I'm trying my hardest, man. I was trying to catch it. It just didn't deliver. I was trying to go for a quick scalp. That was going to be my call scalp. I was trying to do it. I was trying. Oh, now you want to pull back. So I want to catch these tops right here. Right before we hit that, I was trying to get in. All right, where we at now? Getting a little bit tight on that possible squeeze. Let me see if it's gonna catch my order now. Let me try to go for it again. Let me see if it's gonna catch it. It's like 30 cents away again. Can I get a pullback? I know it's gonna be a little scary because I'm to these tops. I know it's gonna be a little scary, but I mean you gotta go for it. But I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Let me see if we get the pullback, I can get it. But if we keep going up, it's gonna miss me again. Got my order set at the bottoms. right, we're pulling back a little bit. All right, where we at now? 40 cents away from my entry? Oh, come on, man. Because I know it's trying to squeeze. It's trying to squeeze right above this mark. I'm trying to... it's not taking my orders, man. I'm trying to catch it before this damn squeeze because I know what it's trying to do. All right, here we go, pulling back. Here we go again. It's going to pull back again. All right, here we go. I think it's going to catch it this time. All right, cool. I think they got me this time. I'm like right there. They like 30 cents again away from my entry. It just would not take my order. What is going on here, man? All right, I'm gonna get it now. Cause I see the candle getting weak here. I'm just watching on mine. Still ain't pulling. All right, here we go. Can I get it now? This is a frustrating, team. I'm like really trying my hardest, and they still haven't grabbed my orders yet. All right, here we go, getting red now. Can I get it now? Are you gonna pull back to my entry finally? Still, this is annoying. This is really annoying. Oh, I think I got it. Got it. Damn, man. Shit was annoying, man. It's like, God, dog, freaking annoying. Man, you don't know how annoying that was, team. Like, y'all really don't know how. I was sitting here like, dude, are y'all gonna take it or not? Man, freaking annoying. So annoying. A little bit of a pullback. So I got in low. All right, getting a little pullback. Still sit on my hands. Like I said, I only win it with one. Like I said, if it does go low, I add lower towards the 517.50 mark, close to it. So I'm gonna see. Just got in one around the 518-ish mark just to see. See if we're gonna get that squeeze, possible squeeze on up. I'm keeping on watch. Let's see. Will we get the squeeze or we'll get the pull back? What a wasteful week already. Think about it, Queen. It's just Tuesday. I mean, then you gotta think about it too. These 2 days that we just had, I mean, we didn't have no economic data. So, I mean, all the data's gonna start kicking in tomorrow. So, I mean, yeah, these 2 days gonna be pretty much an up and down. These 2 days gonna be up and down because, again, was no data. It was pretty much volatility. I mean, you had a few speakers that, that bumped the market here and there, but, I mean... There we go. Let me see. Are we going to get that squeeze or are we going to get rejected? Let's see. Get mine set up already. Quick scalp for me. You know me. I do scalps. I'm in and out. Quick scalp. Call me Scalp McGee. So I'm just doing, like I said, I'm just playing around with calls, doing scalps here and there. That's it. Little scalpy walpies. See if we're going to get that push. Let me see. Are we going to finally get that push at that 518.20 level? Are we going to get it? All those bulls coming. All those bulls about to ramp. Are we about to ramp it up? What are we about to do? Are we coming back down? What we doing, bulls? What we doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Keep pushing. There you go. Squeeze. Come on. Give me a little bit more. Just gotta get my little. That bad boy is just the moving right now. Squeezing, squeezing. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just want to see where we go from here. Just keep it on watch, keep it on watch, keep it on watch. Not chasing. Not chasing. I'm not. Just keep my patience, keep my patience, keep my patience. See where we go. See where we go. Being as patient as I can, team. So you gotta just have patience. Have patience. Gapped up, gapped up, gapped up. Keep my eyes peeled. Keep my eyes peeled. See where we go. See where we go. Do one little scalp, I guess. Not scalp, but took one little scalp. We could break. I might have to do another one. So that's one scalp already. That's down. All right, let me add my other one. Let's see. So I'm good on that one. I could have held it. I should have held it too, just in case. I want to take some profit off the table. So, all right, cool. So I knew it was gonna run back up to that 518.20. That's why I got in. Got in at this little pullback. Boom, ran it on up. It's a quick scalp. So I got that one. So let's see. Should I jump in on another one? See if we're gonna get that squeeze above. Go back into that channel. Let's see. Go back in for another one. Oh shoot! Then I gotta switch my account too. I'm tripping. A pullback. See, and then plus I was looking at that trend line too, so I got out. So, I'm pretty sure we're gonna break out, but I just wanted to take the profits while I had some. Yeah. So I'm like I said, I just got in right here that pullback, Marty, and I just rolled it on up to that 518.20, up to this little trend line. Boom, got out because I didn't know it was gonna break it. So I got in, got out, quick scalp. So I'm gonna just wait on the next setup, see what it's trying to set itself up to do for this next one. So I'm gonna take another scalp on the next trade. So let's see. Where we going from this point? Like I said, I think we're gonna go back into that channel eventually. I think we're gonna get that push. I think so. But I just want to take a quick scalp. So I'm gonna try to go for another. Damn, I forgot I gotta switch my money over because I only had one in that one. Shit, I switched it over to the other one. Crap. Let me see if I can do it in time. Should have held it though. Should have held it because I had a feeling it was gonna do that. It was gonna push right into that damn channel. Should have did it. Yep. Bow. Wow. Every time when I get, see, I knew it. Son of a. I knew it was coming. I knew it. I should have held it. The pain. I should have held it. I was waiting. I was like, man, when that squeeze coming? I jumped out. I jumped out too early. I knew it was coming. I got out a few seconds right before it did it. I just knew it was coming. God dog it. Damn it, I should have held it. I knew I should have held it. Let me see how much they're gonna let me take out because I know I just did a trade on this bad boy. Can I take out? I could just do 1,000. I don't care. If you let me do it. I think I can take out 1,000. I think I can take out 1,000. Switch it over to my other account real quick. So I knew it was gonna get back on top of that trend line. I already knew it was going. So let me see. I should have held it on top of that trend line. Oh, it won't let me take out the rest of it because I just did a trade. Shit. Crap. Let me see if it can let me do at least 5, man. 5. I don't even need that much. Cause man, I should have held it. I don't even want to look at my contract right now because I know I'm gonna get mad. Alright, I know I'm gonna get pissed off. I knew I should have held it. I should have held it. Can I do 5? Okay, I'll do 500. Alright, so let me see. Damn, I should have held it. I should have held it. So I got enough to still get in these areas though with just one. Alright, let me see. Let me see if we get a pullback. Man, I knew I should have held it. I'd have been up already. Damn, like $500 on that one. Alright, let me set myself up for this next one. I already knew it was gonna try to get back on that trend line. I already knew where it was going. I knew what it was doing. So let me see. Give me a nice little pullback. I got what, 5? No, I got 8. Wait, no, I'm in the wrong account. That's why. I got 500 on that one. So let me see. Get a nice little pullback down. Let me see. Get pulled back down to these low areas. All right, there we go with the pullback again. All right, cool. All right, I want those lows. Give me them lows. Here we go. Now we pull it back to the lows. What, like 350 maybe? All right, we're pulling back. I see that. Let me see how low can it go? Cause I get in. I'm gonna do it again. I just want to see if it's gonna pull. Damn, nope, and it missed my order. Shit. I was trying to get in. I was trying to catch that bottom portion of this trend line for the rotation back this way. Where we at right now? It's $1 off my entry. Cause I'm telling you, it's gonna try to hold that trend line. I was trying to nail it. I was trying to go in again. See if we're gonna hold that trend line and actually start to rotate back this way. How low did it go? I think it missed my order by 10 cents. Really? I was still pulling back. Okay, I could probably still get it. I might get in. All right, cool. Give me that pullback. How far are you from my entry? By almost 50 cents. All right, give me that pullback. Come on. Pull. Come back. Oh, you're almost there. Come on, pull. Pull back before you bounce. Give me one more pull, baby. One more pull. Pull it. Don't bounce. Pull it. Give me in first. Give me in. Because I know what it's trying to do. It's trying to stay on top of that trend line. I just want a nice little pullback first. Where I'm at. Where's it at? Not too far from my entry. Come on. Pull back. All right, here we go. I think it's about to pull back to my entry. All right, here we go. I'm getting in again. So, damn. It's not going to give it to me. It's going to start bouncing. Shit. Damn. I was trying to catch it. Crap, man. It missed my order. I was trying to catch it. I was trying to catch it. Because I was seeing. Oh, no. We're pulling back. Let me see. Keep it on watch. Yeah, I see the volume coming in, but see, it's going to hold on that trend line. I'm telling you, it's going to hold on top of this trend line, start to rotate back this way towards the 1840s, 1850s. It's going to start to reverse back this way. I told you those indicators I'm not giving up right now. It's still pushing this way. So I was trying to get in. Damn it. Crap, it's starting to push already. Damn, man, I missed it. Crap, I missed my order. God, dog. I knew it. I knew what it was doing. I'd have been up already 200 on this one. Damn. Can't believe it just did that. I'm not chasing it. I mean, still not far away from the VWAP, but I wanted a low entry that I wanted for sure. Because I already would have been up almost like $400 already. And it's still pushing. Yep, it would have caught my entry. I'd have been up. If it hit up 550 on my contract, I'd have been up damn near $600 already. Right now it's at 480. And then shot up to 480. Because I was trying to get in at 350. And it was almost there. It was almost to 350. Because then it shot up to 450. Almost to 550. I was trying to, and I knew it was going to do that. I told you it was going to get on top of that trend line. That's why I was trying to get in right here. And it missed it. Missed my damn entry. God, dog. And I was gonna ride that rotation up too. I was gonna ride that rotation, as high as it could. Damn it, man. I know you said run it. I was waiting on the set. Look here, Queen. Look. Look here. First of all, I was waiting on my setup, okay? I was waiting for everything to set up perfectly, which is why my trade just went perfect. I'm good. Smarty. I was waiting on my setup. It just didn't pull back. Like I was trying to catch that red candle first. I wanted that red candle, which I was trying to get for that little bounce back up. So that's why I told y'all patterns. I love freaking patterns, but it just didn't go down to my entry. I missed it. I was trying to get in, team. I was really trying to get in. I think I might have had mine aimed a little too low though. I think that's what the problem was. I had to aim too low. Man, I knew it. I knew it was going to get that spike above where? Hey, team, did I not call it? The Thunder, Trade Life. Where did we blast off at? What did I call? I said, what could possibly happen? And I got in. Didn't I not call it? Y'all are my witnesses. Didn't I not call it? 518.20, right? Where did we squeeze at? 518.20. And the next alert, didn't I not say where we was trying to go? Back on that trend line?
Jeremy B says.
Hey.
Link.
I called it. I told y'all, man. I said after that squeeze, because I said it looked like it's setting up in a center triangle pattern. Well, even though I was this way, but I knew what it was still trying to do. It was still trying to get that squeeze on above 518.20. I said it's trying to get right back on what? That trend line. I told you where it was going. Boy, if I call that down to a T, man. What was the pullback on this one? How low did we go? 420, and it's back up to $5. Son of a. And then it's trying to go for another squeeze right here. It's trying to squeeze at, what is this? 518.50. 518.50 squeeze. It's trying to do that. Trying to go for a 518.50 squeeze. I'm telling you, team, that bad boy is trying to bring his happy ass to that 520 mark. I'm telling you. It's trying to go up to 519, up to that 520. Tell me I'm lying. Man, I was trying to get, look at that. Had I would have caught that red candle and held that trend line, I've been riding it. Look at it, look! I caught it to a T. I had that so perfect. And it just, I missed my order. God. Look at that beautiful just movement back on up. I was going in for my next scalp. Right here, that red trend. When I seen that trend line holding, I was getting in right here on that red candle. Just exactly what it's doing now. And I was going to just hold it and ride it on up. I knew what it was going to do. I can't believe I did that. Oh, I'm so sick to my stomach. Well, I was catching a scalp. I was gonna go in twice. I was gonna go in for this move here first, boom, and then get in for another one, which was gonna be here for this rotation on up. So I was gonna catch two scalps for the price of this one big move on up. So I was going in for the red candle right here, Marty, right here. Once I seen that we got above my trend line and I seen that red candle coming in, I was trying to get in because I knew what it was gonna do after that. Boom, bounce, and exactly what it's doing. Son of a. Isn't that a bit of a waste of a trade? It depends. No, I went in with 500 shares. Don't know. I went in with 500 shares. I wouldn't hell no in a waste of a trade. Cause I knew it. Like I said, I was gonna risk it. I was gonna risk that squeeze because I seen it coming. I seen it bullish. I went in with 500. I should have held it though. I should have held it though. No, I started. No, yeah. Well, no, the other one I did, but because I was going in with one, but then it kept missing it. I said, you know what, bump it. I'm gonna just take a risk because I kept going in with one contract to test it, and I got aggravated because every time it kept pulling down, it kept missing it. I said, you know what, bump it. I'm gonna just go in with one because I see I was getting in here and here, but it kept missing it. So once I started to see that squeeze form, I just took a risk. I just went in with 500. I say bump it. Because I seen it getting tighter. I seen that space getting tighter and tighter and tighter. I just got in. I jumped. Now here, I was getting in with one because I was like, I didn't know whether it was going to crack and fall. But as I seen it start to move up and that space started getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and I seen that red candle, boom, I got in. I got in. I say bump it. I mean, that bad boy moving up for a squeeze. Yeah. Cause like I said, yeah, I didn't want to go in with too many here, not knowing that we're gonna crack this area. But as we was getting closer and closer, tighter back to this area, oh yeah, I went in. I went snakeskin Randy on that ass. I went snakeskin Randy. I sure did. I ain't have no shame in my game on that one. Nope. Now we pulling back again. Let me see where my contract going back this time. Let me see. Is it going back towards that four-ish? I'm gonna try to go for it again. Can we get back down to 4? I'll do it. Think I won't? Let me see if it's gonna grab it. We pulling back. Pulling back. Is it gonna take it? They like I wanna pull back. Come on. Are you gonna take it? Pull back, baby. Pull back. I see you. My order like literally right there. Pulling back down to that. It's pulling back down to that 518.20ish mark. It's trying to pull back down to 518.20. Trying to get back on top of that old support. I mean, old resistance that's now support. Did it catch it? I didn't grab my order. It was like right on top of it. Oh, it didn't grab it. Oh, that's insane. It was like right on top of my order. It was just sitting there. Oh, it was like almost there. It was almost there to my order. Oh, man. I tried to do it again. Oh, because I knew it was trying to pull back down to the old resistance of 18.20. What was the low? How low did we go? 518.36. No. 518.30. Oh, man. Oh, man. Cold-blooded. Boy, cold as ice on that one. Let me see, pulling back a little bit harder now. Let's see. All right, we're pulling back harder now, so let me see. I thought we was gonna like going all the way back down to it. Oh, we're putting back down to this wick. Putting back down one of these levels. Yeah, it's bouncing off of that. Look like it's bouncing off that wick right here. Like it's trying to bounce off of this wick. Yep, and going right back up. Up, we go underneath. All right, back underneath it. All right, we play this very carefully. All right, you're still above that 518.20 level. Got to remember, old resistance can turn into new support. So watch how we handle on top of this area now, 518.20. See, right now we're on top of it. Let's see where we go from here. Let's see. Man, that was crazy. Man, that was insane. That was insane. All right, we're pulling back. We're pulling back. Pulling back. All right. Keep my eyes peeled on this. See where we go. I don't know. I'm trying to see if we're going to touch it. Trying to see if we're going to touch that 518. We may not. We may short come down just a little bit short and start running back. Okay, now we're still pulling. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I was wondering. I'm like, are we going to touch that bad boy or not? All right, I'm going this low. 350. Just going to grab it. I got another order ready. Okay, see that? See right here? We kind of overextended. So you got room to fall back down just a little bit. Come on, man. Give me the pullback. Who just hit me up? About 4 movers. Boom, 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 boom. Appreciate you, AK. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where we at right now? Still bouncing on top of that 518. Who got in on that mark? I called it. Who got in? Who got in around the 518.20? I told y'all it was going to be it. I called it. I told y'all. I told you 518.20. Who got in? Who got in on the call? I called it out for y'all. Y'all can't say I didn't call it. I said we're going to probably bounce around 518.20. I did not. Did I not call it? Don't say I didn't do it. Don't say I didn't do it. I don't want to hear y'all lie. I don't want to hear your lies. I want to hear your lies. Don't say I didn't do it. Don't say your boy didn't call it, because I caused it. What am I at, 4? I called it. I called it. I told y'all. Skrizzle, shout out to you, boss. You got in right at the man. Hey, take your profits too. Like I said, hey, kill it, man. Kill it. I mean, I called out the level. I told y'all I was 9 times out of 10 was coming back down to. Old resistance could turn to new support. I told y'all I put that line across the board. There you go. What was area we couldn't break above? 518.20, 518.20, 518.20. Now what's gonna be the area's gonna bounce? 518.20. So boom. That's how it's easy to call these patterns. It's not hard at all. Not hard at all. Gotta just catch it. Catch it when you got to. Catch them. Easy money. Easy money. Boom. There you go. Back up. See, we're gonna bounce, start going back up towards that whatchamacallit. Keep it on watch. Hey, you took the scalp, Skrizzle? Did you take the scalp? Back on up. Still holding. 518.20. Still holding. Still holding. Still holding. Gonna get a little bit of pullback here and there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying right now. I mean, definitely scalping. Scalping opportunities. Catch those scalps. Boom. Scalp city. Pulling back. Pulling back. Yeah, long as, like I said. Oh, shout out to Skrizzle. Shout out to you, boss. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Scalp. Scalp. Just scalp right now. Definitely scalp. I mean, because you still got room to drop to that 90 MA on that 30, which is at 518. Right here, we got that. See where it's lining up at? We got room to fall still. So, still got room to 518 where you can bounce off that 90 MA on the 30 and the VWAP where it's lining up right with each other. So, you could get a nice little pull and then pull back up. So, I'm keeping on watch. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out for y'all for scalping, man. That's what I'm talking about. Killing them scalps. So, all Like I said, it's still bullish. I mean, right now, everything's still bullish. Just ride the damn thing. Look like we're gonna pull back down to that 518 level. Let me see. I'm keeping on watch because I'm not only watching it here. I'm watching it here because I'm watching that 9MA where 9MA is sitting at on the 30-minute time frame, which is sitting around 800. I mean, not 800. I'm sorry, 518 and the VWAP. So I do see they have room to still come down to these little levels. As long as that hold, you good. So I definitely can still see that. So. How far did my contract pull back down to? Back into the threes again? Oh, shit. Let me see. All right, still pulling. Where we at right now? 518 what? Yeah, so, well, how low did we go? Because I know it's going to test 518 and then try to move back on up to 518.20. So let me see, 518.09. So you're going to probably have a nice little bounce. Just a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen, possibility. Where you can bounce around that 518 level and then go right back on top of that 518.20. So I'm definitely keeping on watch to see where we go as we do this pullback to see if they're trying to grab more bears, create those shorts. I mean, squeeze the shorts. Let me see if they're trying to trap some more bears down here. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. Let me see where we go. Once we get around that lower 518 mark. So we are still trying to pull. Just keep my eyes peeled. I haven't jumped in yet, though. Still. Just keep my eyes peeled to see. Oh, there we go, pulling. See, Queen don't realize I've been in puts. I was playing both sides of the fence. I was doing calls and puts. So here we go, bouncing off that 18 level as I stated. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's see, 518 level bounce. All right. Let me see. Will the Bears take out the 518, or will those Bulls move back in and push it back above 518.20? Two different ways we about to go. Again, either the Bulls come in and we bounce off of 518 back up to 518.20, or will the Bears finally move in and take out 518s back down to the 517.50 mark. So let me keep it on watch to see where we go. Keep it on watch. Let's see. Watching that 518 level to see if they're going to hold. If not, we'll come back down towards that VWAP and that 517.50 level. So who's going to take it? The Bears or the Bulls? Who will take it? Again, if the Bulls take it, hold that 518 level, push it back up to 518.20. Again, if the Bears come in, they're going to try to pull it back down to that 517.50 level. Well, VWAP to 517.50 because you got to cross the VWAP first. So I'm going to keep that on watch. All right, we're pulling. Let's see. Back down to the V. Back down to the V. Let's see where we going. Shit, that might be another. Hey, I'm setting up for the next one. Hey, active man, where you been? Hey, I showed everybody the new lunch lobby. I showed everybody the new lunch lobby, man. Everybody loved it. So basically, I created a lobby. Oh, there we go. Retracting back on 18 again. Let's see. Retracted back on 18 again. 518. But yeah, active. I created a new lobby for lunch. Pretty much. Okay, you know how I have my headquarters, right? Well, now I'm gonna have one when we go for lunch. So, and I created that to kind of, I created it so people can have, free their minds for like a few minutes, from one half of the market to the second half of the market. So I created a little space where, oh man, and shout out to you. I'm glad that you're back too. I forgot about the surgery. I forgot about that, man. I'm glad to see you back though, boss. My phone never rang. I apologize, Act, man. I was busy. I was swamped. I was tired. When I said I stayed on this computer last week, probably throughout the whole entire week. I did the normal live stream Monday through Fridays. Then I had my class, my lessons. I was teaching from other people on Saturday. Then I had my kids on Sunday, so I was swamped. So I do apologize, though. But I am grateful that you are back. Shout out to you, boss. But yeah, I'll show you the lobby too in a few. I'm just trying to see if those bears. I'm trying to see if those Bulls are trying to hold that 518 and get it right back up to 518.20. So let's see. What's about to take place? Are those Bulls trying to get back on top of 518.20? Keep your eyes peeled. They did reclaim 518. They did do that. So let's see if those Bulls are going to try to get back on top of 518. They're going to 518.20. I apologize. 518.20. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled. So let's see. No go for me yet. I'm just still waiting for the setups. So 518 is still being secured by the bulls because they're refusing to let the bears pull them underneath. So still holding right now. So let's see. Will we get a pullback failure or a pullback success? Right now it's a pullback failure because you're not getting back underneath 518. So that's causing a pullback failure, which is a sign for bulls to move back in because they're trying to catch those lows. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. Let's see if they still hold. So far right now, it's not a pullback success, it's a pullback failure because you're still above 518. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that mark. But if those bears do take them out, you still got room back on down to that 517.50 level. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled to see if 518 is gonna hold first. So 518, I see bulls trying to move back in. Definitely keep my eyes peeled. Let's see if we're going to push back on top of 518.20. Keep my eyes peeled on that as well. Let's see. Right now we're at 518.13, 518.14, trying to get back above 518.20. So let's keep our eyes peeled on that. Will those bulls get that push back on top? Let's see. Let's see. Can we get that push? Can we get that push back on top of 518.20? Let's see. Can the bulls move back in and reclaim that? Oh, matter of fact, what is everything else doing? Look at that. Are they moving back up again? NVIDIA now? Let me hurry up and look at NVIDIA real quick. Trying to get back. What was? Oh, 920. 920 is where NVIDIA's still trying to go. 920. SMCI was, I think, trying to go back up to the 830, 840ish range. Yeah, still trying to get back up to 830. Then up to that 840, so yep, that's still trying to go bullish. Yep, so you gapped up a little bit, so it's trying to go back this way. So okay, so that's still showing some bullishness, just slightly. So all right, SPY again. All right, SPY still testing that 518 level, still keeping that on watch. Yeah, Queen didn't realize I'm on both sides of the fence. I'm doing calls and puts, so it's a win-win for me. So I'm just watching it. So while I'm holding my puts, I'm playing calls. Boom. But Active, you still here? Active, let me know you're still in the building. I'll show you the break room real quick if you're still here. I'll show you. Ain't no problem. I'll show you the break room. All right, pulling back. Here we go. Coming back down to the areas of what? Around that VWAP to that 1750. 517.50. Let's see. Excuse me. All right, VWAP first, of course. I guess he must not be on. Thought he was still online. Act, you still online, Active? Let me know if you're still on, boss. So I can show him the break room. Hey, Trade Life, you seen the Trade Life? Did you see the break room, the new break room setup? Yeah, I think he was here yesterday. Yeah, cause I did call out your name yesterday. Ingrid, did you see the Aussie chick? Did you see it too? The new break room I got set up for us coming up. Yeah, if y'all didn't see the new break room soon on any platforms, whatever y'all own, just let me know and I'll show y'all the break room if y'all haven't seen it. Still sitting on my hands. Still see if we get that pull back towards these key levels here. Boom, boom, boom. Man, I just gotta fix this bubble situation now. Why am I bubble my thing on my screen not showing? I can hear everybody. I just can't see nobody. Man, I don't know what is going on. Pulling back. Here we go. See if we getting that pull back down to this bad boy. Pull back down. Let's see. Back down towards that 1750-ish mark. What other marks do we have down here? 1720. We got that little rejection. You pop back on up. Got that mark too. Down to, what is this? That's that 1660-ish mark? Yeah, 1660. So might go all the way down to that 50. Ooh, oh, this is the first time we're about to touch that 50? That's all the way down to 517. Are we really finally? Are we finally touching the damn 50 for about what? How many days since last week? Are we really about to get it? Tell me it ain't so. Are we finally getting it? Are we finally getting that 50 touch in about how long? Oh, I'm on the wrong contract. I mean, I gotta go to my other contract. I'm like saying, I was supposed to be moving up. I forgot I got the other one saved. Oh, here we go. How much I'm up right now? Oh yeah, keep going. Oh, I'm going up. Hey, Queen, I've been in on my puts. I've been in on puts. I've been holding puts for like about 2 days. Well, no, when it was yesterday, right? Yeah, it'll be the second today. So I'm still keeping my eyes peeled. So it's like, man, look how close we came to that. Man, oh my goodness. That mean we getting there, because I'm starting to see finally about to see the indicator starting to curl a little bit, finally. It's like, God, dog. Ooh, that was a hell of a bounce, too. Oh, you trying to move back on up. I see what you're doing. You bad. Oh, y'all caught them bad traps. Let me see, $2. Could I get in at these lows? Well, what's the lows on these? I probably can still get in. Still right there, very well. All right, we're pulling back. So 517.50 now. We're still holding on top of 517.50, because even though we pulled, we're right back on top of 517.50. Keep 517.50 on lock. Watch that. Watch that. Got that lower shadow. That mean them buys moved in. 517.50. 517.50. Keep that boot. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. That's what I use. Bounce right off of my lower band. Oh yeah, I forgot. AK bands will make them dance. Bands will make them dance. Bands will make them dance. 517.50. Watch. See if we can see if those buys gonna move back in. Boom. There it is. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. 517.50. 517.50. Don't get caught in that trap. Just be careful. I'm gonna get in a little closer. Oh, it fell down to that 20. That's what it did too. Let's see. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Because any which way it go, I'm still up, because of like it goes down. I'm in puts. You know, if I ride it back on up, I'll be in calls. So it's like a win-win for me. I mean, it is what it is. But look like they're definitely trying to hold that 517.50. Like they're trying to trap as many as they can. So let's see. Keep it on watch. Man, are we finally going down? Because if we do, that means my puts are good still. I just don't need to see it keep recovering back on this 517.50. They need to let it go. If they see that what those bears need to do is stay underneath this key level, not let the bulls put it back on up, because that means that's gonna turn it back into support. See what I mean? See that? They need to not turn it back to support. See? Them bulls are definitely trying to push. They're trying to squeeze them. They're trying to get those. They trapping those bears right now. Right on top of where 50. See 517.50. Come on, bears. Come on, man. What we doing? What we doing? Are y'all gonna actually keep it underneath? What we doing? Because if they hold it underneath, that's a good thing. That means I'm still winning on puts. So that's a good thing. That bad boy drop and come back down to that 50 and then come back down this way. Ooh, that's a win-win. What time is close out candle? Close out. Close out before they go back up. Close it. Because that means I'm being up in puts. Let that bad boy go. Let it. If it's falling season right now, let it drop, bad boy. Caught that drop with a 19. So shout out to you, Jerhoff. Shout out to you, boss. I'm still in on mine. Mine's going up. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I was playing both sides of the fence. I had calls and puts. So now my put side is going up. So I'm just chilling, vibing. Y'all know. Relaxing out cool when I was shooting some b-ball outside of school. Then there was a couple of guys, they were up to no good. Then they started making trouble in my neighborhood. But anyway, right now we are, man, come on, candle. That candle got to close underneath it. Do not allow those bulls. All right, cool. Close underneath it. All right, that's what I was waiting on. I was like, man, this is going to close. It's like, whoo. I'm in some put spreads Friday. Wasn't confident. Oh, I knew it was coming. I knew this drop was coming. I mean, the pullback was coming. I was waiting on it. I was just patiently waiting on it. Because I was like, man, 518s to the 5. Man, I knew it was coming. And now you're back underneath 5.7. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because see, right here, you're back underneath 517.50. Come on. I was waiting on it. I was sitting here. I told you I was gonna hold till Friday if I had to. I was gonna hold that bad boy. Until while I was holding puts, I was gonna be playing calls. So making money on both sides of the fence. I know how to play the game. I ain't stupid. But yeah, so now this area, see that 517.50 where you had that strong bounce back on up. You see across the board, Jerhoff and the rest of the team. See that? And we still. No, I'm gonna look at the wrong one. I apologize. Right here, 517.50. See, if we stay underneath that area, that's gonna cause you to fall back down to this 513.50. I mean 513.80. See, back down to this area, 513.80. So you fall from there. Last but not least, 508.50. So that'll put you back underneath this trend line here, back into this old channel. Because you remember we got overextended. Think about it. We came up here, came back on down. Had that breakout, So especially if we get back under this, oh, that bad boy going. That bad boy. Especially we keep getting that pullback. Back down in that channel. Look at what, that's 515. Back down to 513.80. Man, look, keep dropping. Pay me. Pay me real quick. And it's still pulling. Still pulling. Ooh. Woof. Queen, do you feel it? Oh, Queen, do you feel it? Tell me you feel it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, pay me. Oh, pay me. Man, I feel good right now. Man, to play both sides of the fence, I can play calls and I can play puts at the same time and still get paid on both sides of the fence. Come on, man. Come on, man. Same thing, I'm printing too. I'm printing too, Queen. I done did my calls already, now I'm printing on puts. I'm printing on puts. I'm like, yep, go ahead, pull. Just pull. Keep pulling. I just keep going. Come on. Damn, that's the first time it, like, how long it been since we touched that 50 SMA? How long it's been? Since last week? Last what, Thursday? That's the only time we touched the 50. Friday we didn't. What's this, Monday, right? Yeah, Monday we didn't. And today's what, Tuesday? Tuesday we finally hitting it. Since last week, we're gonna probably finally be touching that. That's a good thing on a 30-minute too. That's what you want. You want that them indicators to been on that 30-minute time frame, because that means that's indicating weakness. Back on down, Georgia Brown. So we getting closer. Finally, man. Finally getting a nice pullback. What we got left on that 30-minute time frame? 3 minutes left for that candle to close out. Cool. As long as you stay underneath 517.50, hey, keep dropping. You do not want those bulls to pull it up in 3 minutes, because I think this candle should be closing out at 30-minute candle should be closing out in about 3 minutes, because each candle was a 30-minute time frame on this one. Don't get it confused with the 1 hour. I mean with the 12 hour. I'm talking about this one, 30 minutes. So in about 3 minutes, as long as you close out good with that strong red candle, you already know what that's indicating. You know that Queen, Jerho, AK, Trade Life. Y'all know what that red candle means. You know what that red candle means. Yeah, we got how many left? Like 2 minutes. Come on. Keep that red candle strong, because if we close that strong red candle, you know what that means. You know what what that's a call for. Oh, come on. Oh, man, I just feel so good. Being in on puts, holding this, and shit, I'll probably be getting out before Friday. Especially if we keep going. Because now that's putting you back in this channel. Back on down? Oh, what? Back down to my trend line? Oh, let's see. Keeping this on watch, man. What we got left? Still got minute 30? Come on, because anything can happen within a short period of time. Those bears got to keep those bulls away from 517.50. Right now, I am up. I'm only up right now, just 300. I'm about to, I didn't add my other contract, but right now 300. And I'm going to just keep riding it, because I don't plan on getting out till damn near 513.80. So we get that pullback all the way down here. I'm good. Let it go. Keep. Oh, they're still pulling. Come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, man. Oh my goodness. Oh man, pull down. Oh my, what time it is? Close it. We got 30 seconds. Oh, close it out underneath. Don't you do it. Bass, don't you allow them to do it. Stay underneath that 517.50. Stay underneath 517.50. Do not do it. 10 seconds. All right, come on. Keeping them underneath. Come on. Stay underneath. Do not allow them in about 4 seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1. Shut it down on my 30-minute time. All right, cool, boom, done. All right, bam. Woo. Good. So you got that one big red candle that on a 30-minute time frame too. Boom. Cool. I take that. That's all we needed this whole entire time. Oh, I feel so good now. Oh God, I just feel so great. Shout out to the ones who caught these puts. Oh man! Even though I was holding mine before y'all. I was holding mine since like the day before. But it's like, man. I mean, Marty, I'm sorry. I said one. I meant two. I mean with two. Because I got in one earlier at the 516 level, then I added another one at 518. I'm sorry. I do apologize. I know I said that all types of ass backwards. I got in one yesterday, because you remember I got in at 516, and then I waited at 518. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold that bad boy, and I'm going to let it just proceed. I'm just going to let it proceed down. So I'm just going to keep holding. Because, I mean, we got that confirmation. We got that confirmation. We're underneath 517.50. I mean, that's all I'm watching right now. 517.50, we underneath that mark. I'm just keeping on watch. It can pop up all it want. I'm going to just still keep it on watch. Let it do it. Let it do what it do. I'm cool with it. We got that confirmation. Man, we've been waiting on that confirmation for a minute. Because now that means that 517.50 is going to be resistance. So, I'm aiming for 515. No, not 515. I'm aiming for 513.80. See, I mean, look at that. Look at our trend line starting to crack. So that means that's indicating more downside. That's implicating way more downside. So, boom. I'm just, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So that means we're gonna probably have another drop coming too, because the indicators are finally starting to meet up with that 50 in 4 days. Finally. Shoot. Been waiting on this, man. It's like, God. Dude, you understand how long I've been waiting on this? I was just sitting there just like, I know it's coming. It's like, man. So let's see if we're gonna proceed to still come on down. So I'm gonna keep this on watch. I mean, the way everything is setting up, it look like it is. I mean, it look like this next candle right here. I mean, it look like it wants to go back this way. So I'm just waiting on the setup, because it could be setting up for an H pattern. So waiting on that. So that means the next leg down. So you're gonna get a little bounce after this candle for an opportunity for a next leg on down. So all I'm doing is waiting on that two-legged pullback to happen. So let's see if we get it. Should I add more? Marty, should I add more or should I just stay where I'm at? What you think, boss? Y'all think I should add more at these levels? Because we are underneath 517.50. For the second leg on down, add a little bit more. Should I do that? I mean, two-legged pullback. I mean, you got that first one. Boom. Now you're going to get that second one. You go right back up to that 517.50 where bears could not be sitting at, because you're underneath that. Now that 517 turn back into resistance, and we could actually start reversing. I know. Matter of fact, hold on. I know what I can do. So since I got a contract already for this week, let me see if I can set one up for next week too. Just to be, let me see. In case we do get a harder drop. So let me see. Let me just check it out. I'm not jumping in, Marty. So don't beat me up. I just want to see. I just want to check them out. Let me just check them out. What is next week? The 17th, right? 17th. Let me see how those contracts. I know they're gonna be a little off because they're way out there. So all your volume's gonna be in now. Or could I just play around and go for one now? Could I? Take one a day, just play around, take a little scalp on the short side, and while still holding my other ones. I mean, I'm just having fun, man. I'm just freestyling right now. Freestyling these trades right now. I'm having fun. Shit, I didn't play both sides of the fence. I didn't play calls and puts at the same damn time. So let me see. Where can we go? Can I play one for today? Real quick. I mean, it's setting up nice too, Marty. Marty, I ain't gonna lie, it's setting up. I'm anxious to go for a quick scalp on a put while still holding my puts. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm thinking about doing it. Oh, cause that contract went from 30 cents to $2. Imagine if I had 1,000 shares on that bad boy. I'd have been up already. While holding my puts, just scalping the crap out of this stuff. Let it go back up and catch that pull back down for the possible second leg on down. It's a possibility. Oh, I know a way I can do this. No, look. I got a way to do this without guessing. I got an idea. Boom! Let me flip it upside down. All right. So if I flip the chart upside down, I can play it smart. So if I do this, so that means that the market is trying to go back up, which that looks like a bounce. I mean, well, you know what I mean. A rejection to go back down this way. So if I turn my chart upside down, look at it backwards, I can definitely catch the put opportunity. So still got room to go up this way. That's around that 18-ish level. No, I lied. Around what? 517.75-ish? Around that VWAP for to get rejected and come back. Damn, look like getting already getting rejected. Hold up, let me see where we at. What is this? Oh, they 517.50 already? Let me go back. Hold up. Shoot. Shoot. Damn it. I was waiting on that two-legged pull. I thought it was going to go higher. Crap. I think I missed it. Marty. I think I missed it. Shoot. Damn it. I was trying to hurry and do it. Let me see. I was trying to jump in. Play a scalp on the put side while holding puts. Dude, I'm just going ape crazy right now. I'm having fun. Making these trades. What? Gotta know how to be fast. Gotta know how to, like I said, snake skin Randy. I can play calls and puts at the same damn time. So, let me see. Let me flip it back upside down. Okay, let me see. I'm just trying to get a better idea on how can I, go for my puts. So if I look at the chart upside down, we still got room. Nah, damn it, it's falling again. Crap, it's falling. Shit, I missed it because it's already falling. If it's spiking, it's falling. Let me see. Especially if we spike you spike past this 17 mark. I mean, it's falling past 17. All right, still trying to. Damn, man, I thought we were gonna hit that VWAP and then fall. Looking like it wants to fall already. Damn, I missed it. Go back. Damn, I missed it. Damn, I missed it. God. I told you I'm probably going to two-legged pullback. I was trying to set myself up for it. Told you like probably set itself up for an H pattern. Ooh, that means we got another drop coming. It's setting up for, especially if we get that crossover. Let me see. Let me go to. I apologize, team. I'm just excited, man. I'm having so much fun with this crap. Like the more you start to trade and you just have fun with it, man. That fear leaves you and you just have fun. I have fun with trading, man. I know how to get in on this. I don't hesitate. So let's see. Where's my indicators? So my indicators, but we need that crossover. We need that 9 across to secure the deal. So we need that 9 to come down to that 20 to seal that gap right here that you see right here. We need to seal that gap up. So we need that 9 to come down, seal that gap. So it has no way of trying to break through it. And then on down to where? That 50. So if we get a drop, that's going to yank them indicators down. Especially when we crack that 517. Come on, man. Keep crack 517. We're coming down to 516. Ooh. Oh, man. Marty, I had it. Oh, I could have had a scalp. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Second leg down. I told you he was prepping up for that next one. I told you. Oh. I'm having too much fun, team. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm having fun. Man, it's fun. Second leg on down. Look at that. Boom. One leg set up for that next one for the next drop. I told you all we needed was that confirmation of that red candle. Once you got that confirmation on a 30-minute, oh, that's a wrap. I was waiting. I've been sitting here waiting on it. I was like, yes, here we go. Woo, man. So what we need to lose? Okay, we need to lose 517 for sure. Back down to that 516.50, on down to 516. So these are the levels that the bears need to take out. All right, so let me calm down. Let me. All right, so the bears need to definitely take out 517 because you want to take away those floors. Come all the way down to that 516.50. That's gonna put you underneath that 50, right? On a 30. So we lose that. We come down to this key level 516.50. That means that more selling pressure is going to kick in because not only going to be underneath the VWAP, you're going to be underneath the 9, you're going to be underneath the 20, and then therefore you're going to be underneath the 50. So right now, it's going to bounce off of that 50 right now because 50 is going to be support until you crack that support, and then that goes from a floor to a ceiling. So we need to take out 517 down to this 516.50, because again, that's gonna cross you underneath that 50 and start to bring you back this way. So that's what we need to do from this point. So for my puts, take out 517, and we need to take out 516.50. So remember, 516.50 is gonna cross us underneath that 50 back down this way. So that's what we need to happen. I mean, we got the confirmation from the 30. You probably setting up for an H pattern right now, where you're going back on up toward those highs, we get rejected, and boom, come back on down for that next leg on down. You get that one leg pullback, boom, second leg pullback. So everything is setting up, everything is looking good. Just be patient, man. Let me see, Jerry Hop, I'm just not reading, I do apologize. He said, this is a great community, a great trading with a community, and see how we... And Jerry Hop, all of this is all about having fun. Once you start to recognize patterns, you start to recognize confirmation, whether it's a bullish movement or a bearish movement. Because how many times I didn't went over this with y'all? The H pattern, the M pattern, for calls, the N pattern, the W pattern, and so forth. But I mean, once you start to see these confirmations, and dude, I mean, come on, man. It's like, it's just smooth sailing from there. I see somewhat of an H pattern, even though it looks like it's leaning. I do see somewhat of an H pattern still underneath that 517.50, so I'm going to keep my eyes peeled on this level. So I know we're going to get a little bounce, probably get stuffed, and then the next thing we're going to come on down. So I'm going to keep it on watch. Boom, boom, boom. As long as you stay underneath 517.50, we can start to definitely see it start to shift back down for that next leg on down. So I'm going to keep it on watch. Man, I'm having fun. This is fun. And I ain't gonna lie to you, team, this is my first time doing this. Like, I don't know what made me do it, I just did it. Like, I was holding my puts, but I was talking, what can I do to still make money while holding my puts? And I don't know, just something hit me. And that's why I started to share with you guys, so y'all can take that into effect. A bull flag on the 5-man bump. Dad, I see a bear flag on the 30. I know what you see, but I see a bear flag on the 30. That's what I see. Up that 5, I'm looking at a 30 that's way stronger than the 5. But anyway, what I was saying was, you said, mid-bear. Man, come on, man. You know, you want to say a BF, I'm going to automatically think of bear flag. My bad, Marty. I thought, normally put BF, we mean bear flag. I was about to say, I don't see no bull flag. I definitely see a bear flag sitting up. But anyway, what I was saying was, so I was asking myself, I was like, okay, while I am holding puts, throughout the week, what can I do within that? I know they both BFs. So how we gonna fix that though? Since they both B, we're gonna have to BRF for bear and BLF for bull. I guess. I mean, tell me what you think. I'll type it out. I mean, let me see. Okay. I'm gonna put the meaning right here, Marty. So BLF equals bull flag, and BRF means bear flag. So tell me what you think about looking at it, because I know my be saying it kind of like, huh? All right, so me bear flag. All right, tell me if y'all like that. I mean, does that? I put beef. I put bear flag, not beef flag. All right, here we go. So what you think, Marty? I got BLF for bull flag, and I got BRF for bear flag. What you think? I mean, team, what y'all think? I mean, okay, because I know a lot of times we put BF, and a lot of people don't, they'll get it confused whether it's a bull flag or a bear flag. So what I'm going to do is just put BLF for bull flag, and then put BRF.
23 cents. Makes sense to me.
Shout out to you, D. Willie. Appreciate you, boss. Yeah, because that'll make sense. Because I know a lot of times you just put BF. A lot of people who don't understand the lingo, they'll think bull flag or bear flag. But again, if you put BLF, which means bull flag, because it does not have an L in bear, and then you put BRF, which we already know bull does not have an R in that word either. So that makes sense. But yeah, looking set up for that H pattern, team. Let's see. Are we gonna get it? For that next leg down, let's see. I want to see that crack underneath that 50. I want to see that crack underneath 516.50, because that's going to put us underneath. That means those indicators are going to start to go boom this way. So, waiting on them bad boys. But, the game plan I was talking about. So, yeah. I came to a conclusion. I was thinking to myself, I was like, man, why I am holding puts, you know, what can I do throughout the rest of the week while I am holding? I was like, damn, how can I make money? Or if things didn't go my way, how can I soften the blow? Like if I'm in the put and it's still going up and I'm holding, how can I soften the blow of my loss? Okay, I thought about it. I said, okay, if I'm going for calls and I'm making the same amount of money that I'm losing on the other end, then all I'm doing is leveling my, my profit level. So if I lose 100 on a put while holding a put, but I'm making 100, put it like this, I'm making 200 within a call, an active call, then I covered my loss and I just made an additional $100. So it's like you kind of helping yourself on both ends. Again, because while one is not working, the other one is. So while one is going down, the other one is going up. So what it's doing is leveling out your loss and your.
Is that the strangle play?
The strangle play? Yeah, that is. You might as well call it a yeah. Now that I thought about it since you said it, I'm doing this. It does look like a strangle play. That makes sense. That does look like a strangle play. You're so violent, Trade Life. Strangle play. Why you so violent, man? Nah, I'm messing with you. Damn, man, I was trying to go in for a put scalp while holding the scalp. I'm trying to kill this market. I'm trying to murder it. Now we're getting puts now, and I'm going up on puts, and I might do a scalp put. I was trying to, but see if we're gonna get that second leg on down from this 517 level down to 516.50. Because I definitely want to see that drop from 517 on down to here, because it looked like it's setting up to do it. It looked like it's setting itself up, so I'm just waiting. Because that bad boy looked like it wants to do this all the way down to 516. I'm just waiting to see. Just waiting on them bears to come in once again and take them out. And everything started coming in red. I mean, I see everything starting to get red now, right now. Man, that was a plush move, boy. I don't know how I managed to do that. That was crazy. That was crazy. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I did it. Oh, there we go, pulling back. Come on, let me see. 517 needs to go. 517 needs to go on down to 516.50, down to 516. We need to start reversing. We need to come down. Again, my goal is, I mean, I don't know if we're going to get it today. We may not go all the way back down that far. I am anticipating 5. Let me show you right here on my chart, though. This is what I'm anticipating. Like I said, I don't think we may not get it today. You know, but as long as we starting off with one already red move, I'm good with that. So it's kind of giving us the confirmation. So let's go back a little bit. Go back right about, yeah. So I wanted to lose that 517.50 and go down to that 513.80. Cause like I said, those areas were your old supports, where you bounce 517.50 and then you bounce 513.80. So we lose these areas where you kind of can see where it did rotate back and forth around these these key areas. So I do see it right here coming back down. If we lose 517.50 back down to that 513.80-ish, and if we do get all the way down, that's gonna put us back in that old channel back here. So I am keeping my eyes peeled to see where we go. Will we get that strong enough pullback to put us right back in that channel? Which is a good thing, because that's gonna lead to more downside, because now you got that roof above your head, where that's gonna lead to more of a bigger drop. So I am definitely keeping my eyes peeled. No, what was Marty? What was today's max pain? Was today max pain 514? I think. Well, it would make sense because it's still lining up around my 513.80. I mean, 514 is only what, 20 cents away. So let me see. I think that is right. If I'm correct on that, let me go back to the summary. So that might, I mean, my price. Yep, 514. Today's the 7, right? Yeah, 514 max pain. 514 max pain, so, and that's lining up right with my line at up here at 513.80. So we get that max pain down here. Ooh, are we falling? I told y'all. Boom. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, we might get that max pain today if we keep going. Shit, we get that max pain. Shit. I told y'all, second leg on down. Who's still in on a put? I told you. Who's still riding them puts? Who riding them puts? Who riding them puts? I told you. I told you where that bad boy was going. I told you. Don't ever doubt me. Man, especially if we crack that 50. We going, man, crack that, because remember, We already took out 517. Stay underneath 517. The next area that the bears need to take out is 516.50. That's going to put us underneath that 50 moving average on the 30-minute time frame. So we definitely want to seal a deal with that by putting us underneath the 516.50. Come back down this way. Because therefore, without no indicators in your way, is a straight free fall back down this way. So you don't have no indicators holding you up. All the floors are going. Because the last one you have is this 50 right here. Once you take this out, that's just a straight free fall going back down this way. So we definitely need to get underneath 516.50. 516.50, we gotta lose it. We gotta lose it. Because other than that, there's no more floors. Because you done lost your floors of the VWAP, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and the next one to go is that 50. That's the only thing that's propping you up right now. But if those bears come in and take them out, you have no more floors. It's just straight boom. On down they go. So 516.50, it needs to go. 516.50 got to go. Got to go. Because as long as you got that 50, that 50 right here is they're gonna try to bounce on top of it. Gotta get rid of it. Gotta get rid of it. It's setting up to do it. But that's just gonna be the main focus. 516.50 to get us away from all the indicators. Oh, that popped up.
Richard Walker is now following.
Appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you, boss.
Area in 516.
Let me see. I see a demand area the 516 mark. Yeah. Well, and I also agree with you on that too, boss, because 516 is a natural number because SPY normally moves by even numbers. If you think about it, 500, 502, 504, 506, 508, 510, 512, 14, 16, 18, and so forth. So yeah, I do agree with you, which is why you got rejected around with 518, which is an even number. So now we're going in reverse. So which is why I'm saying we need to take out 516, 515 first, and the reason why I'm calling out 515 first is because that's going to take us away from all these indicators. So we won't have any more floors because we already lost VWAP, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and the last one to go is that 50. That means now it's just going to be based off of natural support and resistance on the way down. So you have no more anything else to help you. That means your indicators are going to start acting like hands now, pushing you down versus holding you up. Now you get what I'm saying, boss? So when you were on top of the indicators just did this. They held you up. Now that you're underneath it, now it's going to do this. It's going to just pull you down. See what I mean? Especially once we start to get that crossover on that 9 EMA to that 20, it's going to start to merge with that 50. So that's going to be 4 floors. VWAP, 50, 9, and 20 on the downside. So as you notice, we're getting a little weak. Again, we got to crack that 50. 1650 on down to 516, in which I do agree with Richard. Again, yeah, we will see some possible bouncing. But I am anticipating the max pain that we did have today on the summary for 514. So it's all, which have been bring it close to my line that I have down here, which is 513.80. So if we get that pull, it'll be right around that 514, right around my area that I called out, 513.80. So again, once you lose this, free fall. Because that means a little bit of fear is coming into the market. That means buyers are getting scared. That means sellers having more confidence to jump in. So that means that pushes boom, boom, boom. I'm just waiting on it. I'm just like, let's go. We almost there. Look at that. Look. Keep it on watch. Watch this. Tell me I'm lying. Watch this. Let's see what those bears gonna do. If those bears gonna come in hard. Let's see. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. Cause like I said, you gotta take out that 50. You gotta take that floor away. So let's see if we have enough bears, enough selling momentum to break through, to crack through it. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. But we did get the first confirmation, Rich, from this. We got that confirmation from this big solid red candle on the 30-minute time frame, which sometimes leads to an H pattern, which means it represents going down. So you kind of see some. This is an ugly H pattern, but you kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about. Get that long candle, which is this, and you're going to an H pattern, leading on down to the next leg. So pretty much a 2-legged pullback. You get 1 leg, then 2 leg. 1 leg, boom, and then you set yourself up for the next leg, which is normally your next leg is about almost the size of this one. So if we match up these candles and we drag that one this way, that'll be around 515. Nah, a little bit too high. 15. Yep, gotta let this go. Gotta let that go. Two-legged pullback. Waiting on. We already got one. Waiting on that second leg to come down. We gotta get rid of that. We gotta crack that indicator. And like I said, we gotta get down to this 516.50. See how it keeps bouncing on top of it? Gotta get rid of it. Gotta get rid of it. Bears gotta come in hard as hell and take them out. Take them out. Because you want to take every floor away from them. I mean, hell, put y'all need to come in hard. Look how many days they didn't took away from y'all, and all the pain y'all had to suffer for like how many days? For like 4 days. Now it's y'all turn. Strike a little bit of pain in them. Come on now, take them out. Y'all had to wait, make them wait. Like I said, I'm making money on both sides. I was doing calls and puts. I'm having fun with both sides of the fence. I was scalping on calls, holding puts. Just letting that bad boy fall. Being as patient as I can, just letting it do its thing. Just letting it do its thing, Cap. That's all I'm doing. Yup, look like we about to get there. Where we at? 1670. Still, come on. Come on, Bears. You right there. You bouncing right on top of it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yep, there you go. All right, come on. 516.50. 516.50. There you go, Bears. Come on. Y'all cannot give them a floor. You cannot give them a floor, or they were going to try to recover that 517 again. Bears, you got to come in. There's no damn excuses. Come the hell in and take them out. So I'm just very passionate. Apologize about that. But, yeah. Bears, if y'all want to see your day today, you gotta take out these levels. Don't give them any opportunities to create bear traps to push it back up. Think. It's like, God, dog, man, think. Not y'all, not you guys. I'm talking about the market. The greedy ones, like, they've been waiting on this. Take them out. Shoot. You got the opportunity. Take them out. What you waiting for? Pull them.
Richard Walker Jr. says, you got a trade group?
Yeah, boss. I'm with Tradecaster, boss. Yeah, Tradecaster. I'll send you the link. But as far as on the weekend, I got a Patreon and my YouTube members. I have that. But on the weekday, Monday through Friday, I'm in a trading group, which is on a Tradecaster. But I'll send you the information, boss. I got you. Wait, where's my links at? Oh, here we go. Man, I'm gonna figure out why my bubble ain't popping up. 'Cause I'm still getting pissed off behind that. Cause I want to see everybody's names. Well, I don't understand why my bubble isn't popping, man. It's driving me nuts right now. Tradecaster. Let me see what could. I'm gonna just give him. I guess I'll just give him because he can't see nothing else until he subscribes, right? Marty. Or can I send him straight to just Tradecast itself, the lobby? Well, he can't see the lobby because he's not a member yet. Like, what can he see? Can he just see Tradecast the front part of it? I'm gonna just send him the front part. I'm gonna just send him the Tradecaster.com information. All right, let me send it to him real quick. I got you, Rich. And I'm gonna send you my Patreon and stuff too. I'll show y'all that too.
Jatrid says, link slash.
They really had to fix their mouth to say all of that. Link slash. Come on, Bass. Come on, man. Come in heavy. Come in heavy. This is your chance to do it. You need to come in heavy. All right, I'm gonna send the Patreon on both. I'm gonna do YouTube and whatchamacallit.
Jatrid says, join Jatrid's Patreon. Link join
just in
YouTube
case you guys do.
Link
Where's my
AM3YWP6KF5BBG/join.
Wait, where's that? No. Oh, there go my YouTube. I was like, where the hell is my YouTube at?
Jatrid says, join Jatrid's Patreon. Link join YouTube membership.
Alright, cool.
Link AM3YWP6KF5BBG/join.
I'm still pissed my bubble not popping up and nobody can't see it. Like, I can hear y'all, but I can't see y'all, and that is so annoying right now. Let's see what we get. Is it gearing up? All right, where we going? Are we going back up, or are we coming down? What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. This is your chance. This is your chance. Pull it. There you go. Pull it. Pull it down. 516.50. Take it out down to 516. Take them out. Gotta take them, man. Gotta take them. Gotta take them. Can't be playing. Because, man, you guys definitely in this bullish area right now where bulls can definitely trap you and go right back on up. Then don't complain about it. Let me see. I'm gonna watch calls too. I'm gonna watch both of them. I'm gonna still have my calls up, my call contracts too. I'm gonna still watch both, just to see. You know, quick scalps, in and out, in and out. I just want to see how it looks. I'm not jumping in though. Just want to see how it's setting up right now. When does this one end? Today or tomorrow? Today. All right, cool. So still no go right now on a call contracts. Contracts still looking a little weak. So that bounce ain't really do too much to my contracts. Still waiting on this crackdown. Because, I mean, look at the setup. The setup is lining up right, for that second leg on down. I'm just waiting on it. Wait for that second leg on down. Back towards that 516, 515 mark. Still waiting on this pullback. Because I know it's coming. Just waiting on it. And like I said, and what's going to make it better is when you crack that 50. You need to crack that 50. Because that means all your other indicators is dragging with it. Crack that 50. Look like you want to do it. Crack it, and close it. Crack it and stay underneath it. What we got left on this candle? On this time. Oh, shit, we still got a full 30 minutes on this one. So, there we go. Pull it. 1650, let's go. 1650, let's go. Pull. Got to get that pull back. Stop playing. See how they keep, see? Got to get rid of this one. That's the last one to get rid of. Because after that, everything else is going to fall underneath it. Everything's going to turn into a roof. There we go. Now pull and stay underneath it. Stay underneath it. Come on, puts. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, man. Let's go. There it is. Now we got to stay on there. And it's going to be a little hectic because these candles close out. Ooh, 1650. I told you. 516.50. Where we going down next? 16. We need to go down to 516. We need to get away from 517. Go back down to those areas that we need. Max pain is what? 514, Marty? 514? Come on, baby. Come on with it. Yank it. Crank that yank. So max pain is 14. Let's see where my line at. Let me shrink this up just a little bit. I want to see how far we got left to go down. Close to my area. Still got a little ways. So from 16 on down to the 15s, then down to right to the area I called out. So let's see what we get. Let's see. We're underneath it. Boy, look at those beautiful indicators just switching over now. Now we're getting that crossover. That's what I'm talking about. What's gonna seal the deal is when we get these indicators to hit this one. We need to close those gaps. You gotta close those gaps on down. Right here where we're at, see how much space you got? You got to close it, seal it. You got to seal it up because you don't want to give them no opportunity to go right back into this gap. You got to have those indicators yank it down. Boom, seal, close the door. Close the door, and it has no way to go but down. Close this door right here. It's the door open. Close it. It's looking good. Those indicators are getting weak. But again, we got to close. We got to seal off this gap. Seal it off. Because other than that, let's go get my opportunity to get right back in this gap. You got to seal it off. Seal it. But shout out to the puts, man. Shout out to the puts who's getting it right now. Shout out to my puts, man. Killing this bad boy. I was trying to jump in on my scalp, man. Damn. I'm still holding my other ones. My other ones are looking good. I'm still looking good. I ain't complaining. So I'm still riding that bad boy. I'm still riding it. I'll ride it to my potential's mark. So let's see. Getting a little weak in the knees. And then we're going down into what? Oh, then we underneath the open. So that's a red candle on the daily. And we're going to soon be crossing over to the negative. So we 0 right now percent. So right now everything is definitely getting negative. About to start crossing over to the negatives on the, yep, there we go. So keeping that on watch. Underneath the open, underneath the VWAP, underneath the indicators. Everything is just pointing down right now. So that's what y'all been waiting on. Y'all getting it, man. That's what I'm saying. Ride it. Just enjoy the ride, team. Enjoy that ride. Can I get out of this one? No, if I were to get out. I still got some ways to go. I'm still holding mines all the way down. I want to see if we're gonna get close to that 14 mark. Basically, it's back down to that old channel. Put us back down in this channel. I want to see if we're gonna get that pullback. Because if we get that pullback, look how much room we have to fall back down. So I might hold it even longer, depending on how far we pull. And the reason why I'm gonna say this is because if we get that pullback and we go back underneath my trend line, hopefully we get it. Let me see. See where I'm at? So if we pull back down in that trend line and get back underneath this channel, look how much room we have to go down. So if we yank back down and get back underneath this red line, which will put us back in this old channel, look how much room you have to rotate back down. Ooh. Especially you fall here underneath. Man. I might hold it. I ain't gonna lie to you, team. I might just hold it. Just text me. Wait, my daughter just texted me? She said, Dad. She just text Dad, like, okay, Dad, what? She at school. Why she text? Oh, she must be on her lunch. No, it should be out of lunch already. It's 1 o'clock. She said, Dad. That's all I got. No emergency, no nothing, Dad. Like, Dad, what? But yeah, let me take off. Let me see. Oh yeah, we cracked those trend lines. I don't even need those lines no more. Yeah, let me go ahead and take those lines out. What did she say? Can we go to Papa's grave someday? Oh, that was just a random thing. I mean, yeah, but that was just random to ask. She must have thought about him. Oh. She has to go to my grandfather's grave. That's crazy. Now she gonna make me think about him. Shouldn't have read that text. Crap. Anyway, but yeah, we're about to get that pullback. Well, we're still pulling back. Like I said, if we can get back underneath this channel, back into our old channel. And also, let me just delete these lines. She said thanks. She's so blunt with her responses. I swear. Let me take all of these just for right now. I'm gonna put them back on, but I'm trying to make it as clean as I can for you guys. So let me take off of these just for right now. All right, cool. So you see, once we get back into this channel, we do crack back into this old channel. Look how much room we have to fall back down to. If we would, depending on where we go from this point, but we got to definitely crack this. That we have to crack up 515 for sure. 515 will put us back in this channel. So we get back in this channel. If you notice, anytime you get back underneath that red line, nice move back on down. Red line, nice move back on down. So what we don't need to do is bounce on top of it. We need to crack it, get back underneath this trend line for a nice little continuation pull. So we'll see. So right now, we're still trying to fight this sell 516-ish level. So still gonna keep my eyes peeled to see if we can get that pullback down to this 515-ish level. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled, team. Keep my eyes peeled. Why does my thing keep closing? Wait, where's my chat? Oh, here goes my chat. Oh, shoot. All right, where we at right now? Let me go to my other time frames. I apologize. So right now we're still pulling. Still looking bearish. So yeah, still looking bearish. Again, we just got to get rid of that. We just got to get that pullback underneath this 516 on down. So what did we bounce at? 650? Yep, 650. I already knew that was coming. Knew we were gonna get a 650 bounce right there. Boom, 650. So let's see. Keep your eyes peeled. Keep your eyes peeled. Morning. Well, we passed morning, Nuno. Well, on my end. Shit, it's like almost 2 o'clock on my end in the afternoon. I'm past morning, boss. Morning's gone. But when I get off my live team, I'm gonna check to see why my bubble for my thing is not popping up. I just don't understand why it's not doing it, man. I'm trying to figure this out. Why? Oh, hey, well, no, you saw the new break room, right? I'm just showing everybody who haven't seen it. Because I was trying to hit up AK, but AK didn't hit me up. You saw it yesterday, the break room? The one I had yesterday? I showed everybody. Man, I feel like going for something else, man. I'm just trying to pan everything out what I want to do. Trying to let everything work in my favor right now. Could I go for a scalp put while still holding the put? I mean, it's possible I can still do that. Let's see. Let me look at it. Let me look at the contracts. Where are we up right now? A little pullback, a little pullback. Let's see. Let's see. It's the only other area right here, this bounce. Especially like I said, I'm just waiting to see if we get this crack, man. We gotta get this crack. Gotta get rid of that 50. Sure. Oh, okay. Appreciate you, boss. I'll make sure you seen it. Richard, did you see the? Yeah, you knew, so you didn't see the break room yet. Yeah, you wasn't here yesterday. I mean, do you want to check it out? I can show y'all real quick. I think Trader J, you coming in. Did you see it? I want to make sure everybody who's got to see the break room. I didn't get. Okay, cool. So I got Trader J on lock. Richard, did you see the break room yet? I'm gonna show the people who didn't see it. So basically, it's gonna be a lunch, it's gonna be a break room for us during like lunch hours. You know, to keep a lot of people away from trading, over trading. You know, set themselves up for the next opportunities to trade, so something like that. But yeah, Rich, let me know if you like I said, if you're still online, let me know if you're here, and I'll go into it real quick. Well, trade like you here, so I can go into it. So let me set it up real quick while this is doing this thing. All right, Trade Life, you ready? I mean, Trader J, you ready? You ready? Waiting on him to respond. I'm just seeing if he's still in. You ready, Trader J? I see him coming through. All right, boss, let's go. Welcome to my humble abode. welcome to the pad, boss. Welcome to the pad. Oh, that's my screen, my green screen. That's why I got that little mark in the middle. My apologies. Hold on, let me fix that real quick. Let me see something. Yep, there we go. Had to fix that a little bit. And the arcades work too. Now watch, let me show you the arcades even work. Look, let me go to it real quick. Where's my arcades at? Arcades. You can hear it while it plays. Watch this. Do I gotta set up still? Arcades. Here you go. Arcades. Is it on? Oh, turn it off. Crazy, huh? Yeah, so I'm still working on some other stuff.
Fatality.
I haven't turned it off. All right, we're good. Let me close it real quick. But yeah, man, so this is the setup team. So I'm still working on it, trying to put everything together. Let me make sure I close that sound off. Because arcade, let me turn it off real quick. Turn it back off. All right, cool. And arcade volume back down. All right, cool. So, and then I got music. I just got our normal playlist for right now. So I got this still. So got a little music to play in the background too. It's kind of the same one y'all hear. Oh yeah, you see the champagne bottles in the back? Yeah. I got whatever you need. Champagne bottles, you know, I got the glasses. You want to play some basketball? This way. Basketball, I got the basketball. You want to play Mortal Kombat? You want to play some pool? You know, while we take our little breaks and we go back to trading, I got y'all. I got you. So, still working on it though, man. I'm glad that y'all enjoyed, man. So let's go ahead and hop back to the the time frames though, man. But I'm glad y'all got to enjoy. Y'all got to see it. Oh, Trade Life, while I do have you, let me where's my pen? I'm getting everybody's intake, like so I can add a piece of them in it. Go to Paquito. I think I got two already too, huh, boss? No, I don't think I got go to Paquito. Yeah, so what I'm doing, Trader J, is I'm taking a piece of everybody, you know, and try to. It's kind of like I did the headquarters, where you know I take a piece of you, like whether you like basketball, something that commemorates you, and I put it somewhere in here. So a few of them, you know, I know Thunder said he wanted a lightning ball. Loliando said he wanted an African map. Like something that just represents each one of you. So what would you like, boss? I'm just gonna write it down and I'm gonna see if I can fit it in, you know, if I can make it happen. So, like, put it like this. What is a piece of you that you would want in this background? Like something like let me know. So I'll just write it down, and like I said, if I can make it work, I'll let you know. So just let me know. So Trade Life, I'm gonna set you up already. Trade. I mean, not Trade Life. I mean Trader J. Jesus, Trader J. There we go. Yeah, take your time, take your time. I got you, I got you. Just let me know. I got you. All right, so let's go ahead and head back into the charts team. So again, I hope everybody got to enjoy it. And again, I'm still adding on to it. I'm not finished. Still doing a lot of adding on to it. So far, this is what I got. So, oh, and let me blow your mind. I'm gonna show you the original. Well, can I should be able to bring it up on here. Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Show you the original picture. I hope it don't blow up. I hope it don't blow up all in front of the damn screen, because I know I'm gonna have to resize it. Shoot. I'll just show you on the other side. I'll show you on the other side. But I'm gonna show you the original picture, how I transformed the original to this. Like the pool table, the fabric wasn't blue. It was actually like burgundy. I changed the blue, and it had no neon lights. I actually put the neon lights. So I'm gonna show you everything, though, boss. But yeah, let's go ahead and head back to the lobby so we can focus on trade. Let's go. We back, team. We back. So this was the original picture I used, Trade Life. Let me go to it real quick. Where's it at? Where did I save it? Is it in my Patreon folder? Yeah, I think I got it right. Yeah, here you go. See, this was the original picture. See the transformation? See how I changed that? I changed the material from burgundy. I added neon lights to the pool table, basketball gold, champagne bottles. I put an arcade in it, made the TVs move. So if you notice, look, this is the original original picture I got it from. And all I did was just put a little imagination to it, and boom, splash my little, you know. So that was the original Trader J. That was the original picture. So transformation like a mug, huh? I transformed the crap out of that. I just sat there and was just thinking. I was like, what could I add to this? So that's really what I did. All I did was look at the picture. Yeah, I stitched the seat. Yeah, you noticed that too? I stitched the seat with my logo and Deckmore's logo. Yeah, I did do that. You noticed that? Good eye. So yeah, all I did was look around at the original, and then once I got a good idea, all I did was do this. All I did was take my idea, and I just did this. Boom! That's all I did. I just changed out the colors. I put some stitching on the seats, you know, where my logo and Deckmore logo is, and I mean, I made it fun. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah, thank y'all. But I'm glad that y'all like it. But I will be adding more. So, but yeah, let's head back, man. But thank y'all so much. Yeah. We back, team. We back. But I'm gonna still add some more to it, though, boss. I'm still working on it. I'm just adding it bit by bit. So I'm still being, you know, just taking my time, adding it slowly. All right, let's keep my eyes peeled, team, and see what we got. What time it is right now? Oh, it is about to be power hour. Oh yeah, so shit, I forgot about that because I gotta hop into Deck and them's chat. So, damn, so y'all got 10 minutes with me. I wouldn't even pay attention to the time. So y'all got 10 minutes with me, team. So, like I said, if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to be heading over to see what Deck and them talking about, see what their game plan on their ways of thinking. AK still live? If AK's still live, I'll hop on and see what he's doing. AK, and I think Deck is supposed to be getting ready for Oh gosh, she calling me? I'm gonna call her later. I'm gonna call her back in a few. My daughter's mom. Man, thanks so much, Cousin Grant. Thanks so much, boss. Appreciate you. Maybe Bear and Bull. Ooh, that is a good idea. Ooh, I didn't think about that. Ooh, thank you for that idea. I didn't even think about that. Let me see. Yeah, that's definitely a good idea. I'm gonna have to look at the picture though. I'm gonna have to see where I can put that at though. That's the thing. That's the $1 million question. Where could I put this? Let me look at the original picture first. I mean, well, the one I have already. Let's see. I saved it. What did I say? Oh, I got it right here. I got it. I knew I say that bad boy somewhere. Let's see. Where could I put that though? I mean, only area would be right, like right here, because I don't want to overdo it. Maybe I guess come almost like a. That'd be type of do something like a honey, like a moose, like a bear head and a bull head, kind of like against the wall, kind of. I guess we can do something like that. Under the table. I mean, but that's what I'm saying. Like, why not just do like the bull head and the bear head? Kind of like, you know how they do like hunters, how they put them like they post the trophies on the walls, like with the animal heads. Why not just put a bull head and a bear head or something like this, like against the walls or something, or even this way or whatever. I mean, I'll figure it out though. Yeah, I think so, because I mean it'll keep the floor clean without trying to clutter it up, or you know, because everything else is just so close to each other, you know, adding too much to clutter the crap out of it. So I think, yeah, because you got a lot of space right here. So I think adding a bull head and a bear head, you know, to indicate, you know, bulls and bears. I mean, I think that'd be nice. So I'm gonna have to look that up, see if I can find one. So I got the J-Trays cups. I don't know if y'all noticed that. That's small though, but I got a small cup right here. J-Trays cup over here and over here. So still, like I said, I'm still working on it, man. We're making things happen. So like I said, we're not gonna fully. I haven't fully released it yet. Trader J and Paquito, I haven't released it yet as far as our lobby, because I want to see what else I need to add before we actually start turning into our break room lobby. You know, like for 12 o'clock. So I'm still working on it to make sure. So I'm still working on it, man. Just give me some time. Got 8 minutes with you guys. Like I said, let me know. Like I said, any questions, comments, concerns, I'm here to help you guys. Whatever, you know, get it rocking and rolling. I will be back in tomorrow, same time. Well, I know I was a little bit late today because, I mean, I had to rush to get my daughter to school. Kind of was behind a little bit. Apologize about that. But let me see. I'm trying to make sure I got everything wrapped up before I bounce out. Let me see. But yeah, right now, I mean, we are still looking a little weak. We're still underneath that 517 mark. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled at this 517 level to see if those bears are going to hold that key level for that pullback down to that 516. Because, I mean, now with that pullback, I mean, we definitely still got room to come back down. I mean, definitely got room to still come back down towards the 516, 515 level. So as power hour do roll in, I do want to see who's going to step in, the bulls or the bears, to see if the bears are going to continue to pull back on down, or will the bulls step in and start to push it back on up. So I definitely want to keep my eyes peeled to see where we go from here. But let's go ahead and head to the lobby so I give everybody a shout out. And while I have everything down, I'm still working on trying to get the bubble back up. I don't know what the hell. We'll be using to mop the floor and stuff if you wait, what? It means to mop the floor and stuff if you put it on the really the mop the floor. What you want me to put a janitor in there? Like really mop the floor. But yeah, team, let's go ahead and head to the headquarters, and I'm gonna start giving everybody they shout outs, their farewells before we head on out. So let's go. Here we go. That was fast. I forgot to put on my switch. Forgot to put my thing back on. My apologies. So yeah, we are back in the headquarters. Is my music playing on this? Oh, I do have music on this. Yeah, I was waiting on the little effect. I forgot to flip it. I forgot to turn it on. My bad. So we went right back into the headquarters. So yeah, team, man, I had fun with everybody, man. Trader J, do not judge me. Don't you judge me, man. Man, it's been a great one too. But we definitely gonna have the economic data starting tomorrow. Let me hurry and bring that up. What do we have tomorrow? Starting off with our economic data. Before I let you guys go, let me go back to it real quick. We do have Let me give it a read. Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday we're gonna have the wholesale inventories coming up at 10 o'clock. And we're gonna have the EIA petroleum status report at 10:30. Other than that, I don't see anything else till we know we're gonna have the 10-year note auction at 1 o'clock. You know, we normally get some volatilities around 12:30, 1 o'clock, so definitely keep your eyes peeled. But we will have some data coming out between 10 o'clock to 10:30, so do not forget about that. Other than that, I don't see anything else really, huge that's gonna make a big impact in the market that I know of. But man, team, so far I'm still holding my other position. Everything's still looking good. I did stay in the green on my calls, and I still gotta update all my damn trades. Now I should be up to what, 40. Damn, I should be up to 40. Damn, what, 45 trades, 45 wins? I forgot to add it because I was so busy scalping, I forgot about it. But I think I'm up to 45 wins now. But yeah, team, I had a great time, man. And shout out to everybody who traded. Shout out to those who didn't trade, who sat on their hands and waited for the opportunities, man. And again, we got Wild Card Wednesday coming out tomorrow, so definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. We're gonna be setting ourselves up ready to rock and roll, right? We're gonna get it. We're gonna knock it out. So if you missed today, wait for tomorrow's setup. It's always a trading day. But let me go ahead and give a shout out to my team on my other side, which I do have. Richard Walker, shout out to you for coming through, boss. Trade Life, shout out to you. D. Willie, who else I got in the building? Gert, you on both sides of the fence. Alcy, thank you so much for coming through, Queen. Got you on this side too. Thunder, shout out to you. Marty, you on both sides as well. So got both y'all in. And I'm gonna definitely once I get off the live, I'm gonna try to work to get the bubble back pop, the messages up and running, because I don't know what the hell happened. And also, let me go ahead and give a shout out to my Trade Life. Trade Life, Jesus. Been saying Trade Life all day. Tradecaster crew. Let me go ahead and scroll on up for today to make sure I call everybody. I don't miss nobody. Let me go on back all the way on up. Let's see. Scroll back up. Today's the 7th, right? I'll make sure I didn't scroll too high, so I give everybody their proper shout outs. Today's the 7th. Oh, here we go. All right, team. Let me give a shout out to Marty, Gert, Lowboy. Who else I got in the building? Kato J, shout out to you. Who else I got? AR Trades, always a pleasure, boss. Always a pleasure to have you. Queen, First Lady, shout out to you. Charting Queen, I see you. Deck is always a pleasure, boss. To always have you through here. AK-47, Active Trader, always a pleasure to have you guys as well. Coldplay, my right-hand man, I see you in the building. Shout out to you. Who this? Baby Yoda, shout out to you. Bunny, shout out to you as well. And I know I missed a lot of y'all comments, man, because the comments was moving so fast. And then that's why I like using my my other one so I can hear it, in case I do miss it, which is why I have my other comment thing popping up. Who else I got in the building? I think that was everybody, huh? I think I got everybody. For today. Yeah, I think this is Jerhoff, shout out to you. I see you. Shout out to you, Jerhoff. Nuno, is always a pleasure to have you, boss. Go to Paquito, is always a pleasure to have you too as well, boss. Trader J, Cousin Greg, the original crew, the OGs of the squad. Shout out to y'all. But yeah, we'll be back in tomorrow, 9:15 Eastern, 8:15 Central. We'll be going basically over the basic economic datas and earnings as well, which we don't really have anything too big, but the next major earning coming up will be NVIDIA, and if I'm not mistaken, it should be dated for May 22nd. But I will keep you guys updated as we do, roll on throughout the rest of this week. I'll keep y'all guys updated with everything, guys. But had a great time, great trade. Everything's moving good. I can't complain about it. So right now we're gonna keep rocking and rolling, man. But like I said, I'm gonna probably head over to Deckmores and AK-47 and them for a little bit, and then after that, gonna call it a day. Wait for the next trading day. But you already know what I'm about to say before I roll out of here. Team, who I got in this building? Would it be cool? Ooh, I like that. The side of I like that picture. I like that. I might can do something. Matter of fact, let me save that picture because I might can do something with that. Oh, shout out to you, Mickey. Shout out to you, because I could take that and just design it. All I gotta do is crop the picture out. Let me save that. Can I save it real quick? Oh, I know what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to do it after I finish, but I gotta save. But yeah, I don't want to take too much of y'all time, man. You too, Marty. I'll see you, boss. But yeah, thank you so much, Mickey. I'm gonna work on that. Thank you. Appreciate you, because I can change the color to make it match with the wall. I can do all of that. Trust me. Yeah, but man, again, shout out to everybody, man, and again, shout out to all the traders who banked today. Shout out to the ones who didn't trade, who sat on their hands. Wait for the next trading opportunities. You already. Oh, before I head out, do your boy a favor. Smash the like button, subscribe, share, comment, follow, on all platforms, man. Do your boy a favor so we can get the algorithms up and rocking and rolling, so we can expand the community and we can help out more people and just keep all making money, man. So that'll be greatly appreciated. Till then, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow, and you already know what I'm about to say before I roll out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk, always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. I hope everybody have a blessed night, and I will be seeing you guys from Wild Card Wednesday. Peace.